Thanks everyone for joining the session. Welcome to Tungabhadra Networks. So this is purely networking company. This is not an institute where they are teaching all kind of courses like software courses, software demo and networking domain and other thing. No, this is purely networking company. We only deals with networking projects. Okay. So if you see right, I'm proud to say I'm part of MSME, Government of India, as well as Startup India as well. Okay. So now here we are teaching Cisco, Juniper, Palo Alto courses. What does it mean? Cisco is a company. It's a big product based company. Juniper is a company and Palo Alto is a company. So if you see right, in your home there is a Wi-Fi router, small Wi-Fi router. That router will be belongs to Airtel or Geo Fiber or else like D-Link routers. Some routers are there, right? So those devices manufacturers, you can say these are the vendors. Okay, so after few to 3 minutes, after few to three slides, right, you will come to know what is this company names: Cisco, Juniper, Palo Alto. These are the top courses in networking domain. Okay, so let me introduce myself. My name is Ramesh Goud. I have been working in this networking domain from last 12 years. I was worked in Cisco, Juniper, Nokia, Amazon. Recently I was worked in Oracle as a senior architect. Okay, so now this is me. Along with me my colleague is there. His name is Karthik. He was working in Palo Alto as a tech engineer. Okay, so me and Karthik is dealing all these networking courses. Okay, whatever we are delivering. So what is this vendors, you'll come to know after few slides. Okay, so now I'm telling you, this is not an institute, guys. Do not compare with the institution thing. Okay, so what it is, it is a industrial training where so far I have worked in this industry 12 years, right? I worked with APAC customers, EMEA customers, and AMR customers, UK, US customers. So, you know, we implemented critical architectures like data center architectures, service provider architectures, and enterprise architectures. Whatever I implemented personally with the customers, right? Those practical knowledge I will give it to you. It means 80 to 90% everything here is you're learning with projects, not theory, not PPTs, no nothing. Only projects, practicals, labs. Only 20% is theory. Why theory is required? Because you need to tell, you need to convey properly in interview, right? In interviewer. So yeah, for that purpose, so we are here teaching everything, concepts and projects. You have to learn everything. If you know everything, you can answer easily whatever he asks, scenario based questions, whatever it is. Okay, now let's start understand what is this technology. Lot of people are here freshers and they don't know what is this. And you saw something in Instagram or YouTube, these guys are providing jobs and all, right? Everyone need job, that's it, right? After BTech everyone need jobs, but no one is looking into which domain I need job. Okay, which domain means there are a lot of domains here: networking domain, software domain, testing domain, lot of things are there. But which, what you have studied, what exactly you're looking for? You have studied something and you're doing job is in different domain, right? Anyhow, this is a domain. This domain name is called networking domain. It means internet. So everyone is using internet, right? If you woke up at morning, you will say hi to your friends in WhatsApp, right? And you will open Instagram, you will watch reels, and you can, have some fun, right? Also, without internet there is no banks. You cannot operate banks, and there is no industries, nothing is there. So just tell me, without internet there is no nothing, right? There is no in military, schools, hospitals, wherever you go, internet is required. Without internet there is nothing in this world. So this technology is all about what? Internet. This technology is all about internet. So let's understand how internet works, then we can discuss further. Okay, yeah. So let's understand now how internet works. Before going to discuss about how internet works, you guys knows how you guys are getting internet connection. One is broadband connection, right? If you take Geo Fiber or Air Fiber or locally Act Fiber, or in your cities you may have different service providers. So if you take, right, fiber, they will lay a fiber cable to your home. You can see this kind of patch card, and this is a converter. You can see this is a Wi-Fi device. Okay, so yeah, now through Wi-Fi you're getting internet connection, right? If you take a broadband connection. Okay, now there is another way, mobile, through 5G 4G, right? So 5G 4G we have in your mobile, you have a small antenna, and if you very close to the nearest tower, right, you will get a signal like this is a tower, this is mobile antenna you will see in your mobile. And through mobile, if you have a subscription or internet, right, you will get it. If you pay it, you will get it, right? So these are the two ways you can get internet connection. Everyone every day using this, but you know the usage of the technology, but you don't know what exactly happening at the back end. This technology is all about it, so it's easy to understand. మీ లైఫ్లో యూస్ చేసే టెక్నాలజీ అనేది. సో ఇఫ్ యూ లెర్న్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ హ్యాపెనింగ్ అట్ ద బ్యాక్ ఎండ్, యూ ఆర్ ద నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్, యూ విల్ గెట్ ఎ హ్యూజ్ ప్యాకేజెస్. దాట్స్ ఇట్. This is not, there is no coding, nothing is involved here. Coding will be there if you reach at top level. If you don't want to coding, if you don't want to be implementation side, so networking is a ocean. Okay, this networking domain helping lot of people. Even if you study 10th class, you have a jobs, intermediate you have a jobs, career gap, and if you have a educational gap, and you did a masters in US, if you did a BTech graduate in IIT, all kind of graduates, all kind of people, this networking domain is helping them. So today I will explain about networking domain technology and the opportunities. Okay, now these are the two ways you can get internet connection. Now, is there any another way we can get internet connection? Can anyone please tell me? Very good. Online guys, can you hear me?
So
Satellite, right?
Is there any other way we can get internet connection?
Satellite.
Satellite.
Satellite way, right? So
Underwater.
underwater you'll not get any internet connection. That is a physical cable establishment. I'm going to cover that. So you get a internet connection through satellite. I'm talking about front end, not about back end. Front end, how you are taking internet connection, like through Wi-Fi. One is mobile phone,
Through router.
not through router. Yeah, you can say generally general question I'm asking, not into deep. And one is satellite, how you are getting a TV channels, right? Sun Direct, right? You're getting a TV channels, right? Same way we have a Starlink. There are other vendors also in other countries. Popular thing is, Starlink you may see in Instagram, right? That Elon Musk is introducing and he is providing internet connection through satellite. So you may have a satellite antenna top of your home. Now it is coming to India also, but it is too cost 30,000 rupees you need to spend for this equipment. Anyhow, so from antenna to you will have a router at your home, there is a connection, from there you will get a same like Wi-Fi. Okay, these are the three ways you're getting a internet connection. This is front end. Now let's understand, if you're using, if you started using internet, like Instagram everyone is using, right? You, if you take any selfie, you want to upload that photo in your Instagram. So in Instagram or YouTube or WhatsApp, whatever it is, whatever the application it is there, it is having server. If you're using Instagram, Instagram server will be there, server is located in data center. Okay, all the servers are located in data center. See, daily life we are using Instagram and YouTube. So these two services will have a servers, that servers are located in data center. Okay, now this is your laptop or mobile phone through router, right? Through Wi-Fi, this is your mobile phone. Go on mute guys. This is your mobile phone. Okay, and you are uploading a photo in Instagram. Instagram is an application, right? You download it from App Store or Play Store, and you're uploading a photo in Instagram. That photo is a data, right? So let me explain you the high level overview, how the data is traveling from your mobile phone to the Instagram server. Okay, so you have taken a selfie and uploading a photo in, here in your mobile, and then that photo is will be travel through this your home Wi-Fi router first. From home Wi-Fi router to internet service provider router. Internet service provider, who are the internet service providers? BSNL, Geo,
Geo Airtel.
Airtel. There are a lot. Act and Sifi, there are Tata Communications, there are a lot of internet service providers. Suppose I have taken a Airtel Extreme, Airtel Air Fiber. So it will ISP also maintain routers. Now data center is located in Mumbai, now I'm in Hyderabad. Okay, so if you observe closely, right, This service provider again connecting with another router. So from Hyderabad to Mumbai there is 1,000 kilometers, just an example. At every 30 to 40 kilometers they will install a router. Okay, at every 30 to 40 kilometers. If you see the mobile towers, right, that mobile towers are located in random locations, right? That is called orthogonal spectrum. At every few kilometers there is a tower. A bottom of the tower there is a small room. Does anyone observe? A mobile tower is there. Bottom of the mobile tower there is a small room. Okay, mobile tower, uh, equipment room, you can try like this. Okay, so if you see here, right, images, you see this is a tower. Top of the tower you will see this kind of room, small room. uh where is that? Mobile 5G tower. Okay, you see, right, you see this is a tower, right? So this is like this. Okay, it's a mobile tower. Bottom of the tower you see the small room here. Are you able to see my screen, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
We've
this is,
seen that before. Yeah.
so this is a small room. Okay, in this room you have a networking equipment. So this is a tower. See, look at these towers. See, look at this. This is the best example. You see the tower as well as the room just beside the tower, right? You see, this is the towers. uh okay, you can check here. So this is a tower. Beside the tower you see a small room. In that small room, see, you will have a networking devices, those we call routers. Whatever the routers you are using at your home, right, the cost of routers is just 2 lakh, sorry, 2000 rupees. Whatever you see in real world, right, here the cost of those routers are 3 lakh rupees. These are the things. Okay, whatever you see on real offline, guys. Okay, so I will show you those routers. After some time I will show you. For all online people I will show you how the routers are looks like. Okay, so those routers are very costly. Once you completed training on this networking, right, you will work on those routers. So from Hyderabad to Mumbai data center, at every 30 to 40 kilometers, there will be a router. It means there will be a tower, bottom of the tower, there will be a router. So between tower to tower, they laid a cable through underground. If you see, right, if any underground work is going on, you will see the black color, orange color pipes. Have you observed, guys? Those pipes are fiber cables. Okay, so so Airtel is there. Airtel is laid the cable through underground entire in India, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, everywhere, every state, every mandal, every district. Okay, every village also. Okay, so just an example, you are uploading a photo in Instagram, that is travel, that is going to your home Wi-Fi router, home Wi-Fi router to service provider router, from there to another router like that. This is a server, right? Server is also connecting to a internet. Server is also a device, right, that is connected to internet, that is called router. So all servers are connected to routers. So now your data is traveling from here to here. That's how it is traveling. Finally it will store in server. After uploading successfully, your friends, followers will see the photo. That's how it is. Okay, this is just a high level overview. At the back end, how your data is traveling, what are the devices are involved, just a basic thing. Okay, now look at this. These are the servers. What servers? Storage servers. Whatever you are uploading a photos in Instagram, Facebook, or else YouTube, whatever you are uploading, right, everything will store in this storage server. Look at this. These are the hard disks. Have you seen the hard disk in your life? Right, you guys are seeing, right? These are the hard disks. So look at this. This is a biggest server. This server is having lot of hard disks. That the each type of hard disk is like, it stores petabytes, like not gigabytes. 1 GB. It's not like 1 GB. 1 TB, 1024 TB equal to 1 petabyte, like that. So there is a huge. You can store the data, in a huge way. Okay, this is the biggest service storage servers. These storage servers will be installed in data center racks. Look at these racks. Are you seeing these racks? All the servers will be installed in the racks. So there are two types of data centers nowadays. Normal data center, AI data center. What do you mean by AI data center? I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Okay, just understand, this is a normal data center where you will see these racks. Inside the racks you will see lot of equipment. That equipment is called storage servers, application servers, different servers. Okay, this is a normal data center. Can we look at the real data center? This is a real Google data center image. Look at this image. You see, right, how many racks are here? It's a very big room, and you will see bunch of racks, right? Yes or no? There is a thousands of racks here. Inside the rack there is a hundreds of servers. Look at these servers. All are servers. You see the LAN cable, right? These servers are connected to top of rack. Look at this top of this rack. Top of the rack you will see a routers. All I just told you, right? These servers are connected to routers. This is general way, this is realistic thing. See, all these servers, through this yellow color cable, it is connected to our networking devices. Are you seeing these networking devices here at the top? Are you seeing some devices here?
Yes.
Right here, this is a, okay, let me mention in blue color. Look at these devices here. So each and every rack of top you will see the routers. All these servers are connected to the routers. These routers again connected to the another routers. Till your location there will be routers at every 30 to 40 kilometers. Okay, so that's how the data is traveling across the routers. Now these servers are maintained by server engineers, not us. But in route, these are the routers. Who maintains these routers and switches? We are the network engineers. Once you completed this training, right, you will work on these routers and switches. This is just a data center architecture. And service provider architecture, Airtel is there. Airtel India, it spread across the India, right? I told every 30 to 40 kilometers there is a router. How many kilometers we have entire India? India is very big, right? So at every 30 to 40 kilometers there is a router. In that case, how many routers they are using Airtel? Minimum 1 lakh routers, right? Minimum 1 lakh routers they are using. Who will configure, maintain all these 1 lakh routers? We are the network engineers. So there is a huge demand. Without network engineers, there is nothing in this world. Internet, how internet is coming? Because of network engineers, because we are configuring it. Okay, there are other people also, but major role we are playing it. Okay, yeah, that's why we have a huge demand. Okay, that's why you see lot of offer letters, success stories in my channel. Okay, yeah. Now let's understand. So India versus Australia match is going on in Australia. You're watching on live. Whatever happening in this world, you are watching on live, right? Everyone, how it is happening? Something is happening in US. You're watching on live. How exactly it is happening? Even you're staying at your home. There's a cricket match is going on in different locations. You're watching on live. How? Because of internet. So how these countries are connected? Someone said cable, right? Ocean cable. Yeah, these are the things. These are the ocean internet cables. Look at these cables. These cables are connecting country to country. Total, how many countries we have in this world? More than 195 plus. More than 195 plus countries are connecting each other. Okay, how they are connecting each other? Through these cables. These cables are laid through ocean, under ocean. Let's see that. This is the special ship. You see right here. This is a special ships to lay these fiber cables between the countries. Okay, look at this. So this is how it is. Now you see, right, in your intermediate you may learn about fiber optical cable, core and cladding. Anyone remember those things? Okay, so
Yes, sir.
yeah, you see, right, this is called core. The core is called the data. Entire internet data is going through this fiber core. So the data will travel in fiber cable in the form of light. What is the light speed? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. It means it's very huge. But to accept this speed, we don't have hardware. Just go back to 10 years back. In the year of 2013, they just launched 3G. Before that, 2G was there. Any 1990s kid here, if you want to download any song or any video or anything, right, you need to go outside and you need to hold your phone like this and try to wait for 30 minutes to download the song or right. Yeah, 1990s kids know this pain. Now after that you will able to download the movie within 1 minute 2 minutes. Now how the technology is already there, like this light, the data can travel in light. The light speed is 3 to 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, very speed. To access that speed, 10 years back we don't have hardware. Now we have a hardware to support that much of speed. That's why the technology enhancing 4G 5G 6G. Okay, so Japan and China countries, they are very fast, because in Taiwan and China only they are manufacturing the semiconductors. Okay, so they have very good hardware there. They are very good to test all these things. Okay, anyhow, just telling you. So the data is traveling in fiber in the form of light, remember. Okay, to protect this core we have a cladding. Look at these iron rods, because in ocean you may see a animals, like big sharks, right? Like, so to protect from shark bites, they cladding, so they added this protection, you can see right here. Okay, now you may see in Hyderabad or your location, top of the current poles you may see the black color cables. Those are fiber cables, not a current cables. Those are fiber cables. Okay, yeah. So now let's see how India is connected to other countries. So India, this is India. India is connecting to other countries at 5 locations. First location is Mumbai. Are you able to see here?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, yeah. So this is a Mumbai, you can see. Mumbai is connecting to Yemen and Ethiopia, you can see Somalia. Okay, you can see east countries, like west countries, right here. Now here Chennai is connected to APAC countries like Malaysia, Thailand, Bangladesh, and Kochi and Trivandrum, right? It is connected to Maldives, and Tuticorin is connected to Sri Lanka. Okay, we have 5 locations where India is connected to other countries. So look at this. This is a map. All countries in this world connecting each other through cable. That's why whatever happening in USA, you're able to watch on live, right? Whatever happened in this world you are watching on live, because of this. If World War 3 comes into the picture, what they will do, they will cut the internet connection. They will enter into the sea. They will cut a fiber cables and they will isolate the countries. You understand how danger it is? So that whatever happens, they will cut the communication. Okay, so definitely it will happen in case if it is come, right? So yeah, they will isolate the country by cutting the fiber cables, so that they don't know what is happening in other countries. Okay, yeah. And also Geo, everyone remember Geo, right? In the year of 2016 he gave free internet services. Why? Because he has a very good plan. From last few decades he is laying his own fiber cable from countries to countries. In Mumbai to other Dubai, I think towards Dubai, he has his own cable. He has its own cable. That's why there is no maintenance and there is no cost, right? That's why he gave free internet services to the people to test it. And like after that there is a strategy he started, because of him only we are, to be honest, we should agree on that. Because of him only, lot of influencer came into the picture, because free internet services, like at very low cost. At the beginning, right, if you want 1 GB data you need to spend at least 100 rupees. Now it's not like that. Okay, yeah. So now he's expanding his geo services to Malaysia, other APAC countries. He's trying to lay his own fiber cable from Chennai to other countries. Okay, if you want to know, right, you can Google it, you will come to know. Okay, what I'm trying to tell you is this is a back end of internet. Okay, there is a lot of things involved to get an internet. That's why we have a lot of openings, lot of opportunities. Okay, anyhow, this is how it is. Now inside the India also they will lay fiber cable through underground. Okay, now if you see right here, suppose Mumbai to Chennai, you have 1000 kilometers. The data can travel through fiber, right? The light, you played with the laser, right? In your childhood, does you played with the laser? So it can travel up to some extent, right? Same, that is called laser only. The data can travel through laser only, light only. So that laser can travel up to some distance. After that the signal will lose, right? Yes or no? The every signal will have power that can travel up to some, even my voice also a signal. So people can hear up to 10 meters or 15 meters. After that my voice signal will lost, right? Similarly this light signal also will lost. When it will lost? At 100 kilometers or 35 kilometers or whatever it is, based on the module you are using, SFP module. I'll cover that later, but generally at every 100 kilometers you need to boost the signal. To boost the signal we have a devices called DWM devices. In if you're a ECE student you will understand dense wavelength division multiplexing technology. Have you guys any ECE student here? Yeah. Have you heard the keyword WDM, DWDM? So this is a thing. If you are a EC student or if you are a CSE student, right? 60% of the you know syllabus, whatever you studied, you're going to work on. I studied in the ECE as well as I did MTech in VLSA systems and domain. Okay, systems and designs. Okay, so whatever you studied, right, in which different or different streams also, that will be help here. Okay, so these are the DWDM devices. These devices can boost the signal again up to 100 kilometers. Suppose Mumbai to Chennai we have 1000 kilometers. So to boost the signal, how many DWDM devices we need?
10.
10, right? So yeah, so 10 DWDM devices. This is the devices I have taken a picture in the year of 2016. When I started my journey in the year of 2014. Now I started working in service provider. These are the DWM devices. This picture is in the year of 2016. Who will
Where you
manufacture?
taking it?
Sorry?
It belongs to AWS, sir.
No, no.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll tell you later at the end. Okay. So the thing is, these devices are layer 1 devices. Who will manufacture these devices? The company is called Cisco. The mobile manufacturers are Apple, Samsung, OnePlus are, right? Same way, these networking devices manufacturers are Cisco, Juniper, Nokia. Nokia is also a biggest vendor. You are thinking a small double phone? No, that is 1% in Nokia only. Nokia is manufacturing your 5G antennas in Chennai. Check it in. They have a routers. Entire Airtel, Bharati, Vodafone Idea is using Nokia devices, 7750 routers. Okay, so Nokia and Huawei and a lot of vendors are there. Okay, so that's why it's very easy to get a job in product based company in this domain. Okay, I'll tell you at the end. Okay, now these are the DWDM devices. These devices can boost the signal up to 100 kilometers. This is 10 years back. Now you know what is the technology. Same DWDM devices, it can boost the signal up to 400 kilometers and 800 kilometers. Now see the technology. Now it is boosting the signal up to 800 kilometers. Now how many DWDM devices you need now? One or two? There is no one and off. Two, right? Two devices you need. So you saving the cost, right? So why the technology is evolving? First you need a good reliable services with lower cost. Every year they are finding some new thing to reduce the cost. Okay, yeah, this is how it is. Okay, so yeah, now let's talk about AI data center. Nowadays everyone is talking about AI. Does our jobs can take AI? So biggest question, right? Network engineers, if you join in this technology you will become a network engineer. Does AI replace network engineers?
No.
Let's, yeah, you can answer it. Okay, I will explain it. You already come to know, maximum you already know this. Now I will explain one more time. You answer that question whether AI can take our jobs or not. Okay, now in normal data centers you see the servers, right? Those are application servers, 2 RU 4 RU, the storage servers. In AI data center you will see these AI devices. What are these? Nvidia devices. Now you see, right, wherever you open Instagram you will see the Jensen, Nvidia CEO, right? He is marketing his products like a pro. Okay, so in AI data center these are the devices you will see. What is this device? Nvidia GB200. Whatever you are asking chat GPT, hey provide a image, whatever you are asking in internet, entire internet data carried by these routers and switches, it will come to data center. And this is the device who is processing your request. If you want a image, if you use Gemini, Banana, if you want to render any image, these are the devices. This is called GBUs, not CPUs. GBUs. You have in your laptop that graphics card, right? Same, this is a powerful GPU. it can handle entire internet data. So now, because of these GPUs, this AI is there. Like front end, they use AML languages that they will develop. The back end, without these devices, how it can process the input of the customers, right? Now you see, right? These LAN cables, are you seeing the orange color, yellow color LAN cables? These devices are connecting to where? Our routers and switches. Our routers and switches are delivery boys. You order something on your e-commerce, product will be ready. So who will deliver those products? Your delivery boy. Without delivery boy, is it possible you will able to receive it? Right? Our networking devices are delivery boys. Okay, from server to your mobile phone or your laptop to server, right? The data can exchange from here to there to here. Who will do that? Our routers. Now whatever you're requesting in chat gpt, hey, you're asking something like uh, which is the best institute, CCNA institute in Hyderabad, something you asked it, right? It is come to AI data center, ChatGPT AI data center. It will come to this device. Okay, between them there is a bunch of routers and switches. Internet is there. So now this device is connected to where? Again routers and switches. Okay, without on routers and switches, how the AI device will get their data, right? Now this all AI data center will consist of this bunch of NVIDIA devices. Okay, so now you see, right? If you closely observe, your SSD and RAM cost is going high. Does anyone observe, guys? Currently nowadays, your RAM cost, your RAM and
Yes, sir.
hard disk
Because
cost.
of shortage of chips.
There is no shorting chips, man. They are purchasing every hardware. Who is purchasing these AI data centers? They are building AI data centers continuously. So you need storage servers, right? In storage server you need SSDs, you need RAMs. they
Yes, yes.
these guys are purchasing. Look at the Oracle CEO. Oracle CEO saying that to Jensen. So I worked in Oracle. Now I can reveal anything because I'm not anymore working in Oracle. I can freely talk. Okay, so Oracle CEO is saying that, hey Jensen, take all my amount and give your chipset to me. He is giving everything to Nvidia. Jensen, so Nvidia, whatever you manufacture, give it to me. You know what Oracle is doing? Cloud services, right? What is cloud services? If you want to establish any company, you need a website. To establish a website, you need a server. You cannot purchase those physical. It will be 20 lakhs of cost. If you establish by your own and maintenance, it will be huge. So that's why you will host all your services in cloud. That is like normal thing. But if you want to provide AI services to the customer, you need a AI data center. To build a AI data center, you need a huge millions of dollars. Who will give that? So what Oracle is saying, hey guys, hey customers, if you want to work on AI, you can work on it. I will give you a small data center for you. Use it like AWS. Use it how much? See, it is like that only. So cloud services, cloud AI services, like the Oracle is giving AI services to the customer. I will provide you hardware, you can run it, and you pay monthly. So that's why Oracle is giving all his amount to Nvidia. Hey, give me everything, whatever you have. Now that's why Google is not using any Nvidia GB200 devices. It is using TPUs. It is having their own chipsets. Okay, so if you see, right, in Vizag, they're going to establish 1 gigabit data center. So now in Vizag here, you're going to connect with other countries. Currently, India is connecting with how many places here? One, two, three, four, five. Now soon, Vizag is another location where it is connected to other countries. It is connected to the Google data center through sea, through under ocean cables. So Google not using any Nvidia, it has own their CPU chipset. It is called TPU. Amazon also have their own chipset. The chipset is called Annapurna. Look at that name. Sounds like Andhra, right? Yeah, that name chipset is called Annapurna. Look at it. Google it. Okay. So now this all devices in data centers are connected to our routers and switches. Who will maintain our routers and switches? We. So now tell me, in case if any link goes down, AI will go and troubleshoot. AI have any
No,
right?
no,
No.
Now you guys tell me, AI can replace network engineers,
no, can't.
right?
No.
So in fact, if you want AI works, we need them. Sorry, they need us. If AI want to work, they need us. We need to establish, we need to maintain. So I had a experience to work. I worked on. So I'm currently I'm telling you, I worked behind the OpenAI. Okay, all the OpenAI, OpenAI means ChatGPT, right? They have data centers in Oracle. Okay, so they all, you can see who invested in ChatGPT? Microsoft. 60% of the amount invested in ChatGPT is, who is that? Microsoft. Okay, so the thing is, guys, the ChatGPT AI data centers are built in Oracle. I work there. I know a lot of things. Something I cannot reveal it, but I can give you practical exposure. Okay, from scratch to advanced, I will give you my knowledge to you. All the thing is in classes. In classes, how much you are active, how much active you are you doing my, I'm giving regular projects to you, are you following those projects or not? Does you believe within 35 days any fresher can get a job? Why here they are getting job? You're studying 16 years from first class to graduate, 15 years or 16 years, whatever, 15 years. Are you getting any job? How much amount you paid in your school and colleges? How much hard work your parents are done? Now to get a job, everyone is again taking courses, Java and all, and again you're taking a courses, and again you're paying it, and again you're spending a lot of time and getting a job. Is it make sense for you guys? Is it make sense? Where is the problem? Indian education system, or yes or no? Why IIT people and NIT
Yes,
people
sir.
are, yeah, why NIT people, IIT people are getting job? Because they started doing practicals from first year. Even mathematics also they have a lab. Mathematics also, whatever they read, they have a practicals. That's why they're getting huge packages. And anyhow, in nowadays NIT IITs also don't have placements. Okay, they're compromising at 5 lakh 6 lakh rupees, they're joining it. Few years back, 2 crore rupees, 3 crore rupees, you see, like, right? That kind of news in news channels. Anyhow, here you can consider it is like a NIT or IIT kind of company. Okay, all my dream is, I want everyone to see in good product based companies, in good technology, I mean good companies with this good skill. If you have a good skill set, you can easily get it. So that's what I am giving here, everything practical knowledge. And because of this, I don't have any clients 6 months back. I'm telling you, it's been 1 year, 1.5 year. I don't have any clients at 6 months back. But my students, how they are answering in interview, the interviewer also don't know those answers, packet level answers. They impressed it. That's how they identify our institute or company, whatever you call, and they came here and they're asking profiles. Every day minimum 2 3 clients are contacting me. And the wonderful thing is, I'm not charging single rupee for placements. It is completely free. That's why companies also taking advantage. And they are, see, they are paying amount to the recruiters like Naukari, LinkedIn at all. They will take a subscription and they will look for a good candidates. Nowadays everything is fake outside, right? So that's why I build a trust. Even I am telling my clients, hey, this guy is 5 years career gap, but he has a good skill set. Because of the trust which they are having on me, they are taking the interviews and they're taking the candidates. IT companies looking for the skills, not for gender. Some people commenting in Instagram or YouTube, this woman is very beautiful, that's why they're taking it. No, it's not like that. Companies is hiring skillful candidates, not gender, either male or female. Okay, and also career gap doesn't matter. I will show you after this session. I will show you all the offer letters, all the career gap students who got the offer letter with the package. I will show you. Watch it and decide yourself. Still, if you want to go backdoor or with fake certificates, it's up to you. Okay, yeah. Anyhow, I just deviated, but this is an AI data center. Okay, so this is a AI data center. Even if AI would like to work, they need us. They need network engineers. మీకు అందరికి క్లియర్ పిక్చర్ వచ్చిందా ఇప్పుడు? Everyone, online people?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now,
sir.
Yes.
now I'm
Yes, sir.
hyping. Yeah,
Perfect.
I'm hyping like routers, switches, these AI data center devices, and servers. All are connected to routers, right? Look at this. These are the routers. These are the routers manufactured by Cisco and other companies. Look at this router. This router cost is 3 lakh rupees minimum. Now, can you imagine? You have taken a Airtel, right? And from your Airtel SIM, if you're trying to call Geo, are you able to call or not? Airtel is one network, Jio is another network.
Yes, sir.
So how it is happening?
We can.
Because of this router. So here Airtel is connected, here Geo is connected. So this is a router who enables the communication between the networks. Backend, this is a device. Okay, and also you have a SBI ATM card. You can withdraw from ICICI also. SBI is one network, ICICI is another network. How it is happening? Because of these routers, they are enabling a communication between the networks, and communication is happening. What do you mean by communication? Exchanging the information. Okay, these are the routers. From, we have, depends on our requirement, we can purchase the routers. Suppose in your home your grandma need a phone, will you purchase iPhone 17 Pro Max for your grandma? No, right? Because she don't know how to use it. Based on her requirement, you will purchase small phone, right? Right, same here. Based on our requirement, you can purchase these routers. This router cost will go up to 20 crore rupees, from 3 lakhs to 20 crore rupees. Who will handle this much of equipment? We are the network engineers. If you have skill set, they will allow you to work on these devices. Okay, yeah. So they are giving a lot. That's why server room or IT room, no one will allow you, right? No one can enter into that room. One cable is, if you cut down, right, that's it. Okay, yeah. Only skillful candidates. Now these are the switches, guys. So in your MNC company like TCS or Infosys, you have 40 employees, 40 computers you need. All 40 computers, where exactly they are connecting? These are the switches. Look at these switches. So this is 48 port. Up to 48 computers we can connect here. Okay, so like this we have a bunch of switches. So these routers and switches manufactured by which company? Cisco is the top one, Juniper is the second top one. Cisco and Juniper. Now it is not Juniper, HP company acquired Juniper. Okay, it's a HP Juniper now. Okay, now HP Juniper. So these are the companies. These companies are providing courses called CCNA like this. Now you have, after completion of training, you can do certification also. That certification is very important. I'll talk about certification later. Generally certification, doing a certification is a scam generally. Okay, why I call, no one can tell this kind of word. Doing a certification is a scam. Why I'm telling it? People can hate me if I say this. Anyhow, I'm saying, I will show you the proof. Okay, after few slides I will show you why I call it as a scam. Let's see. Okay, now you see, right, these are the switches, routers, firewalls. Look at this. Switches, you know why we need switches? All computers can connect switches. These switches will connect to the routers. These routers again connected to the routers and data center. That's how the communication is happening at the back end. So these hardware devices manufactured by home, manufactured by Cisco or Juniper. Now you should have a firewall, right? Every company will have a watchman, right, to not enter unauthorized people. Now we are growing in a digital environment. You can see a lot of cyber attacks, man in middle attacks, DDoS attacks, right? To protect unauthorized data, if it comes into your organization, they can hack your entire database. So to protect that, you need a firewall. Firewall can block all others, and it will only allow legitimate traffic. It means if you have an ID card, watchman can check it and allow, right? Same way it will check the each and every data, then only it will allow inside the organization. So that's why your network is very secure. Make sense? Now as a network engineer, what knowledge you need? Routing, switching, security. I combine all these things as per the industry standards. Luckily, I worked as a tech engineer. I worked with global customers, guys. Based on my analysis, I'm giving a core networking. If you learn a core networking, you can easily understand other technologies. Like if you know ABCD, you can write any word, right? You can write Ramesh, you can write Suresh, whatever the word, right? It's like that. Core networking skills, if you learn it, you can crack any interview, because 60%, 70% maximum cover from core. Everyone is asking this only. And whatever the advanced technologies, they can train, company can train it. What are the other technologies? I will explain it. Okay, so in your home, just asking a question. In your home, fridge is one company, TV is one company, mix is one company. Yes or no? Agree with me or not? Online
Yeah.
guys, right? Why? Because 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 of the performance, because of the cost and all, you will purchase. Then companies also building hybrid model. Switches are good, in Cisco company. Routers are good in Juniper company. Firewalls are good in Palo Alto company, because Palo Alto is the number one vendor in firewall. Number one vendor, entire top 100 skills in Udemy course, right? Palo Alto is a number 4. First is ChatGPT, Palo Alto is a number 4. Why? In security, Palo Alto is a number 1. Why? Because it supports next generation firewall. It supports cyber security features. Okay. See, if you buy a, if you got a iPhone with 10 rupees, you will purchase it or not, right? Generally, same way, because how value iPhone, right? Similarly, if you know the technology, how important these technologies will get in within the budget in Palo Alto, you will definitely purchase. There is a salesperson, they will explain it. If you want to purchase a TV, you'll go to the showroom. Hey, I need this HD channels to support. You will send your requirement, he will sell it, he will tell it, right? Specifications, you can purchase it. Yeah, same way. Okay. In firewall industry, Palo Alto is the number one vendor. Make sense? So this is a Juniper devices. I said, right, routers are very important. Yeah. So I worked in Juniper, I'm telling you. I worked as a Juniper TAC engineer. I know the importance of Juniper. Okay. Now my students, 4 members are joined in Juniper as a TAC engineer. One person went from 2 lakh rupees to 16 LPA directly. One person 7.5 to 27 LPA directly. One person 4.5 to 16 LPA directly. Okay, I will show you the all are women's only, all are girls. Why boys are not getting? Simple. There, whoever is prepared, where whoever is giving interview, right, to me, I will refer them. Okay, simple thing. Okay, now everyone understand, right, what is networking domain? Why networking is required? Without networking, there is no internet. That's why networking is required. You see, right? This is a rack. In this rack, you have all networking devices. So do you see the track here in front of you? Okay, now we have a two branches. One is Karnool, one is Hyderabad. By January 1st, we are opening a branch in Vizag as well. Okay, in Bangalore as well. We have a racks and live setup. I will show you right now. Anyone from Karnool here in this team meeting? Karnool team. One second. Anyone from
Yes,
Karnool?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Amma Sai Charita, can you turn
Charita
on?
is
Yeah,
present.
yeah, Charita is here, right? Okay. So can you please turn on the camera and show the rack and the
Yes, sir.
devices? Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Please turn on the camera. Front camera, ma. Please open your front camera. Oblesu, you can turn off your camera.
Okay, sir.
Here also, light on there. Are you taking time? Sai Charita, did you find?
I turned on the
Okay,
cam,
okay,
sir.
okay. So guys, are you able to see this? Uh, Ma, can you go to
No,
options?
sir.
Can you go to options and uh, pin it? I didn't see. Okay. Meanwhile, Vinay, can you turn on the camera? Did you join? Yeah. నాకేం కనిపిస్తలేదే ఇక్కడ. Are you seeing the screen, guys? Here,
No, sir. No, we can't.
I can't
No.
see.
No,
I,
no,
I
no.
am also not seeing.
Okay.
No.
Vinay, can you
I
share?
can see the screen, sir.
I didn't. I'm
Yeah,
not
we are
seeing.
able to see the video,
We are
video,
able to
right?
see. We have to go and click the full screen. We are able to see
Yeah.
him.
Can you
Showing rack with the device.
can you go to options? One second. Here. What is this? So go to option.
I think we have to pin by ourselves.
Yeah, we need to pin. Can you pin it, guys? Can you pin it here? Magnus video. Yeah, I'm going to pin it. One second. Pin, 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 pin.
Yeah, it's visible for me.
It's visible. Okay, just a second. Okay, fair enough. So guys, uh, show the rack. Okay, once again, let me share my screen. Now you can show me the rack. Okay, you're not able to see, right? Can you pin it if it is possible? Vinay, right? Vinay Kumar. Okay, pin to the screen. I just pinned it. Vinay Kumar, నువ్వే కదా Tungabhadra networks. Okay, let's see. Which there are a lot of people right here. Guys, you're able to see now here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now you see right this screen. This is a rack. Whatever the rack I show you in the PPT, right? This is a live rack. We have it in Hyderabad. Okay.
We
So
are not able to see, man, actually.
Sir, I think you have
Sir,
to stop
కనపడట్లేదు.
sharing the
one
screen.
second, guys. Let me stop all. Okay. Stop it. Okay. Okay. Can you see me now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sorry,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
So just bear with it. I'm looking like an alien. Don't mind. Okay. Yeah. So one second. Let me stop it. Okay. Yeah. You can see me, right? Is it visible? Let me show you. I'm at Hyderabad location now.
When I is there, when I is there.
What is happening now? ఏం జరుగుతుందో ఏమో ఈడ. I left the meeting, brother. Okay. Find the fan AC ఆఫ్ చేయండి. Hey guys, can you hear me now? Sorry, by mistaken I left the meeting. Okay. Okay, simple thing is you see the rack here, right? So these are the networking devices. Are you seeing it? These are the routers and switches. We have it in Hyderabad location. You can see, right? This is a rack. Are you guys able to see now? Guys, hello? Oh my god, I'm talking on mute. Guys, can you see me? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes,
Can
sir.
anyone please acknowledge? Yeah.
Yes, we have.
So this is a rack, guys. You can
Yes.
see this is a
Because,
rack. We have it in in Hyderabad branch. Also we have a lot of devices. One lab is located in rack. One lab is located in the bench. Okay. So look at this. This is a Palo Alto firewall. We have Cisco and Juniper switches. So we have Juniper switches inside the rack also. Same lab setup. We have it in Karnool also. Okay. Same lab setup. Anyhow, let me continue the slides. Okay. So what I'm trying to convey here is we have a physical lab setup. Whatever I'm teaching here, right, you must do labs on real devices so that you may get a hands-on experience on real devices. Okay. So guys, any network engineers here, experienced candidates,
yes, sir.
do you guys access to enter into the server room, networking room, IT room?
No, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
no.
Yes, sir.
So see here, even if you have an experience in networking, they are not allowing them to work on real devices. But here I provided everything. Okay, you can, what you can do, you can come here and practice it. Okay, so all freshers you can come, but experienced candidates you may have work, right, during weekends or whenever you are available, you can work. You can come here
Okay,
and practice it. Okay, anyhow, so these many companies we have. Cisco, Juniper, Nokia, Huawei. So the thing is, Cisco is top in enterprise, Juniper is top in service provider and data center. And we have a one more called Arista, Cisco brother. Cisco and Arista, like Hyundai and Kia cars, like that. Okay, so both are having same engine, right? Like Toyota and Suzuki, kind of same thing. Cisco and Arista both are same technology, same thing. Different vendors, like name is only different. Okay, so if you learn Juniper here, you can easily handle HP products. You can handle other Huawei company products also. The thing is, companies are using hybrid devices. Like one product is Cisco, one product is a firewall, one product is like one product is Cisco, one product is Juniper, like that. You should have a multi-vendor knowledge. That's why I'm teaching here multi-vendor skills. Okay, these are the top vendors they're using in every company. So here I'm providing Juniper certification. Now let's talk about certification. So why everyone is asking Cisco certification? The companies generally, the low level companies like uh, yeah, the tier 1.
Sir, screen is not visible.
is it is it not visible, everyone? Yeah, sorry.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
now
sir.
now can you please tell me, is it visible?
No,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yeah,
no, no.
No.
check
No,
it
sir.
now, check it now, refresh it.
Yes, sir, visible.
Yeah,
Visible on logo only.
visible. Yeah, now it's visible. So what I'm trying to tell you is certifications. So certifications, why companies are looking for certifications, once you did a CCNA certification, you will be partner of Cisco, so that they will get a more projects. Hey, I have a certified engineers, give me a project, because they're using your certification, and they're getting a projects. That is one thing. Second thing is, if you are Cisco partner, right, the cost of router is 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, right? They will get a 20% discount if you do a certification, right? You are the partner of Cisco, they will get a discount, they will use your certification, they will get a projects and all. That's why they are asking for a certifications candidates. But real companies will hire a skillful candidates, they will pay money for their certifications, and they will do it. Like companies, even TCS, Infosys also, if the project is required, you can do certification and you can claim it. Okay, so guys, I did a plenty of certifications by my own, but I did not pay single rupee. All amount spent by company only. Okay, so here currently competition is very high, right? So you should have one certification. So Cisco certification cost is 300 dollars only for exam fee, $70 for tax, $370 only for examination fee. The passing score is 800 marks out of 1000. It is very difficult, you need to you know prepare for 2 3 months. But good news, guys, from last 1.5 year I did not encouraging this. Now I figure out it, and I'm going to provide Cisco certifications also from January 1st. Okay, I'm working with Cisco. I want to become with a Cisco partner. I'm working for license. Once I get a official thing, right, you guys can come to office. This could be examination center or wherever, you can write at your home also. I will going to give you the training for certification also. The training will be little different. This training, which is it is a practical training. If you learn this training, right, you will easily crack the certification and interview, because this training will be equal to 10 years experience candidate. Whatever the 10 years experience you have in networking, right, in product based company, that kind of knowledge you will get here. Okay, so yeah, that is what Juniper, Juniper currently, Juniper also, it is very high demanding. Look at my screen, everyone. Everyone knows CCNA, CCNA, CCNA. They don't know the real master. Juniper is also, which is equal to CCNA. Okay. Look at this LinkedIn. Go to Naukari. Everyone knows Naukari, right? What is Naukari? Job search platform, right? Go to Naukari and search for the device. Search for the, what is that? Network engineer profiles. Look at
Oh,
this. Oh my God, man. 1 second, let me log in. Okay. Okay. So what I'm trying to show you here is, I want to show you the importance of this certification, Juniper certification. Okay, look at this. This is my Naukari profile. Okay, so what is we are learning? JNCA, right? JNCIA. This is a Juniper course, like CCNA. Okay, type network engineer. Okay, now search for jobs. Let's see how many jobs you will see. Look at this, how many jobs it will see. 6521. Okay, just open any random thing like. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just opening 2 3 profiles. Okay, 2 3 network engineer profiles from different companies like. Okay, 1 second. Guys, are you seeing my screen? Are you seeing my screen, everyone? Yeah,
Yes,
look
sir.
at
Yes.
this.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Look at this. Desirable CCNA or JNCA equivalent. CCNA or Juniper. People doesn't know what is Juniper, and in this market, very less people who is teaching Juniper. Currently, you cannot find it. There is a networking kings. I used to teach networking kings also. That guy Atul Sharma is my colleague, Juniper colleague generally. Okay, so I used to teach there a long back, just a small session. Okay, so Juniper training in entire this world, very few people are providing. Since I worked as a Juniper tech engineer, I will provide you each and everything at Juniper. So you can write the exam by your own. Go on mute, online
Sir, how
guys.
to?
Go on mute. I'll talk. Okay, yeah. So Juniper, right? Juniper examination fee is $236. $236. But the beauty of Juniper is they are giving $155 discount to each and every student. If you They will conduct a exam. If you pass that exam, you will get $155 of discount. Now, what is the cost remaining? $55 to $60. Within $55 to $60, you will get a certification. Right, what is the cost of $55 to $60? 5000 rupees or 6000 rupees? Hardly రెండు జతల బట్టలు అవి. అవునా? కాస్ట్ two pairs of clothes cost. Okay, so it means it will be valid for 3 years. You will get from Juniper company only directly. Look at this, lot of my students passed recently in Juniper. Okay, no one failed so far. No one failed so far because 100% my team will see. Look at this, recently this guy is passed. What is the date? December 10th. Are you seeing it, guys? December 10th. So December 10th he passed Juniper exam. He got 90 score out of 100. Okay, this is like this lot of people. Another guy, look at this. His name is Rajesh, I think so. Yeah, his name is Rajesh. December 1st he passed and he got 95 score. Okay, so the thing is, outside certifications, you guys are not writing by your own. Experienced candidates, agree with me or not? How the technical certifications are writing outside. 99% they're paying amount to someone. They're writing for you. I don't encourage
Prox-
that. I really don't encourage that.
Yes, sir. Proxy was happening on
Yeah,
that.
everywhere that is happening because students not able to dare to spend that much of amount. Okay, so here you have to write by your own. అంతే కదా, మనం చదువుకుంది మనం రాసి పాస్ అయితే కిక్కే వేరు కదా, అవునా కదా, రైట్? సో హియర్
Oh,
you have to write. You have to write by your own. Okay, so at your location, home location, or you can come to office and you can write. Okay, so yeah, these guys, they sit at their locations, they pass the exam. So within 2 days you will get a global certification. You can use that logo in your resume and use that certification keyword, so people will give you importance. Look at this here. You got right. See, CCNA Juniper equivalent. Are you seeing it? So yeah, so whatever the industry is looking for, see, CCNA JNCA certification, right? CCNA certification, there is no discount. At least you can do it here and you can get it now. See, look at this. Okay, yeah, anyhow, so here I'm providing courses called Cisco Juniper. I'm providing certification also. It means supporting until you pass it. I mean, like, you definitely passed it after my training. Okay, yeah. So now all clear. Sorry, I'm taking too much of time. Okay, this is the last thing. After completion of this course, what kind of jobs you will get? Guys, are you getting bored? Is it interesting or getting bored? Not like a social subject, right?
no, sir. Interested.
Interesting ఉందా?
Very much interested,
Yeah,
Ramesh.
ఎందుకంటే ఒక.
Very much interesting, sir.
Thank you, ma. So actually, if you want to watch a movie, if movie was not good, you will go, right? So yeah, I'm taking a lot of time to explain these things, and still you guys are listening. That's a fantastic thing. I'm really appreciate you, everyone. because this is your
Thank,
life.
thank you so much.
Yeah,
You are teaching very well.
yeah. Thank you so much. And
You are
now,
explaining very good.
yeah, thank you so much. So now, what kind of job roles you will get after completion of this training? Okay, first is network engineering data center. You know data center right now, you know. So there you have a networking devices, you will work as a. So recently my recently one of my student, he's a fresher, he joined in Airtel data center, and he was very passionate about it. After seeing this routers and switches, he really want to work on those devices. And he doesn't have, he has health issues also. But if you see right, recently I guess in your group only, this guy posted this. He started working in Airtel data center. See, this is the guy. You see this status? His name is Shivanandu. Okay. See, he got a chance to work with Airtel data center. See here. Last month, just he was a student like you. Now he is in Airtel data center. He is getting 2.8 LP as a fresher. Okay, he has 2 years career gap. He has 2 years career gap. Okay, see, look at this. Yeah, so there are a lot like this, I'll show you later. Okay, these are one of the role. Like him, you will work there in data center. Even girls also will be there. It means data center means you cannot go inside it, and you have a separate office workspace. You have to log in the device remotely, and you need to log in and practice, configure it. Okay, now this is me in the year of 2016. Okay, so this guy you can see, right? This is me in the year of 2016. Looks like alien, right? Yeah. Now you see, right, these are the servers, whatever I'm touching, right? So that time it was 2014, not 2014, 2015, I guess. Okay, so here you see, right, this is a data center. How many Andhra Pradesh people knows Airtel APSFL? And in Telangana also you have a T fiber. How many people know APSFL, which is giving internet services, phone services, TV services just for 150 rupees? In the year of 2016, Chandrababu Naidu garu launched a
85.
project. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, right.
yeah. AP
Yes,
fiber
yes,
net.
యా, నేను అందులోనే
yes.
పని చేశానమ్మా. ఆ డేటా సెంటర్ని బిల్డ్ చేసిందే నేను. ఓకే, అంటే నేనంటే మా టీం అందం. ఓకేనా. సో వైజాగ్లో ఉంటుంది ఆ డేటా సెంటర్. దట్ డేటా సెంటర్ ఈజ్ లొకేటెడ్ ఇన్ వైజాగ్. ఇన్
Yes,
ది ఇయర్
yes.
ఆఫ్, యా, ఇన్ ది ఇయర్ ఆఫ్ 2016, యూ కెన్ సీ చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు launched a project in the year of 2016 that is called APSFL. Okay, 2016 APSFL launch event. You see, right, in Google, there is a Cisco CEO came here in Vizag. He launched that project. At that time, Cisco CEO was Janti Chambers. You see, right, March 17, 2016. You see the details in Google. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
yeah, so let's see Hindu Times. So
What was your package on that time, sir? As in
yeah, I will tell you. I will tell you my journey also. My package. What is my current package? You guys are interesting on packages, na? I'll definitely tell you. Okay. Yeah, that will be motivate for you. Where I started now, where I am. Okay. So let's discuss about that as well. Look at this picture. Okay. So that time John T. Chambers. Okay. Launch event. John T. Chambers. You know who is this guy? Cisco CEO. He arrived Vizag in the Novotel. You know Novotel in Vizag, right? They launched that project in Novotel. I was there. I was lucky to see these guys. I was very close to see Chandrababu Naidu Garu and other people at that time. Okay, they launched this project with 412 crore rupees. It was a very good project. His aim is to provide digital services to rural areas also. Currently, some of the rural areas, they're still using it. I was there in Vizag for 1 year, Vijayanagaram, Srikakulam. I built the data center with Cisco team, Cisco professional service team, and then I moved to Nellore. I stayed there for 1 year. Then I came to Karnool. After that, you know, I'm here one by one. Okay, so service, it's a very good project. When I initializing the data center, right, I worked here, and this is a picture of me. Okay, this is kind of one role. Initially you will get this kind of jobs. If you get this kind of jobs, you're really blessed. Okay, now network analyst means in any company, maybe enterprise network. What is mean by enterprise? A small office with 500 employees, 100 employees, 200 employees, it's called enterprise. Service provider network means Geo, Airtel, like this. Data center means, you know very well, data center. So in this architectures, in case if anything happen, suppose some services are down, if you see, right, Sometimes if you chat on WhatsApp, messages will not go due to some server issues in Instagram also, because somewhere in data center that respective services may be impacted. Okay, so whatever the services are impacting, if the customers are complaining internet is not coming, you need to analyze it, what causing the issue, and you should not, it should not be repeated again. As a network engineer, we need to provide 24 into 7 environment, okay, internet. So this is the thing, guys. You need to analyze it, you need to find the problem, next time it should not be repeated again. Okay, that is called network analyst. You need to provide root cause analysis, these things. Okay, so this is a network analyst role. So yeah, now knock engineer, this is a famous role for freshers. People who are working in knock engineer, they don't have much knowledge, I'm telling you truly. Okay, knock engineer is like, what is this role? Let me tell you. I worked in data centers, just I'm giving a hint to you. Can you anyone guess how many networking devices will be there in one data center? Just rough count. Hello, any online guys?
20,
20?
A
20
lot.
devices,
10k? 10,000?
more than 10,000.
Okay, any other offline guys, any guess? 1 lakh, yeah. So you see, right, minimum 1 lakh 90,000 to 1 lakh devices will be there. In this 90,000 to 1 lakh devices, if anything, any device goes down, how you will come to know, right? So yeah, so they use a monitoring tool called, any monitoring tools, we have a lot of
Solar
monitoring.
wind.
Yeah, solar winds or whatever it is. A lot of people are
PRTG
not.
solar
Hey,
winds.
I know you guys are knock engineers, you know very well,
Hmm.
huh? I know. Yeah, so knock engineers, what they do, they work on monitoring tools. Backend, they don't know how it works. Do you know SNMP guys? How it works? So what they do,
It's a
what they, yeah,
protocol.
yeah, what they do, if anything happen, they will contact field engineer and they will resolve the issues by coordinating with them. In case if hardware failures, they'll raise a RMA. Yes or no? Knock engineers used to coordinate with
Ah,
field
yes,
engineer.
correct, sir.
That is
Yes,
a,
sir.
Lot of
see,
stuff.
that is the only responsibilities you have it. Okay,
Hmm.
so yeah, in case if anything, any device goes down, you will get a alert ticket. This device, this interface goes down, you need to coordinate and resolve the issues. That is called knock. Okay,
Yeah.
network operating center. If you work in this role for one more than 1 year, you screwed yourself. Okay, there is no career growth in this role. If you see you worked as a knock engineer in your resume, no hiring person cannot take it. Knock engineers, I'm telling you. Okay, why? Because they are monitoring team, they don't have knowledge. What they do, they monitor it, they'll coordinate it, they resolve it. That's why you should not put this knock experience in your resume. Here I will teach you the core complex. In case this knock engineers, if you stuck in between, you will escalate to your senior engineers, right guys? Yes or no? You will escalate to your
Yes,
senior
sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
So here I will give you what exactly your senior engineers are doing here. Okay, so dear knock engineers, whoever in this call, kindly woke up and try to focus on core level thing. Okay, so please, may I know how long you guys are working as a knock engineer here? More than 1 year? Anyone?
I'm
One
I'm
year, five.
working
Hmm.
since like 3 months, I guess.
three
From
months
three
three
to
months
two.
three
Yeah.
months is good. So 1 year is enough, guys, to get experience. That's it. After 1 year, you must move it. Okay, you have to see, there is a bird will stay at one place. It can keep on fly, right? Because of their comfort zone, you have to also fly. So within the company, do not work more than 2 years. In case if you like the company very well, move to the different project, not in the same project. If you work in the same project, same role, there is no growth. There are two things in your life. Finance growth is first, right? But I prefer technical growth. If you have a good technical growth, finance will come automatically. If you are skilled enough, they will chase you to give package. Why Facebook is hiring engineers from Meta by offering billions of dollars, millions of dollars? Because they are having a huge knowledge. That is the power of knowledge. Okay, so focus on skills. If you have a good skill set, you will get a good package. Okay, yeah. So knock engineers, now focus. Okay, now L1 network engineering service providers in Hyderabad location, in Bangalore, Chennai, we have a lot of clients. So my clients is asking service provider engineer roles. Okay, so service provider is a very good environment to learn more. So I worked in a service provider environment for 6 years. I learned a lot. That's why I'm delivering this good content to you. Okay, so in service provider, in the field, you will see the real devices. you will see what exactly is going at the back end. Okay, yeah, don't miss the opportunity if you get a job as a service network engineer service providers. Okay, now network administrator, the another role is, these all are job roles, guys. Once you completion of this training, you will get this kind of roles. Now network administrator, there is a small company, 100 employees or 200 employees, you have a router, switches, IP phones, lot of things, networking equipment. So you are the person who maintain each and everything in your enterprise architecture. Enterprise architecture means it may be a hospital, it may be a mall, in orbit mall means you're not working like a labor guy. No, it's not like that. There is a knock room, separate server room. Each and every big buildings, companies, they will have a separate knock rooms. Okay, these customer locations, right, malls, it can handle by one software company. All these services, right, will be given by companies. So like chroma stores, how many people know Tata chroma stores? And lot of, so those are using SD-WAN technologies, and they're handling by different third party companies, yeah. So yeah, so that role is called network administrator. You have to maintain each and everything in your company. And next is network engineer service provider, we already discussed, right? Yeah. Now the next role is TAC engineer. TAC engineer is the highest role in networking. If you become a TAC engineer, you will rule that networking stuff. I worked as a TAC engineer for 5 years. So the thing is, you buy a Apple phone. In case if anything happened to your iPhone, where you will go? You will go to the service center, right? That service center will check everything and it will resolve it, right? Same here. Your router switches will be purchased by lot of companies. If there anything happen to those devices, like hardware level or protocol level, they will contact you vendor. Okay, so in case any hardware failures, if you have a warranty, they will replace it, right? That process is here, it's called RMS. Okay, so TAC engineer is a powerful role. Each and every product, like whoever is manufacturing these routers and switches, there you will see the TAC engineer roles. Now how many companies we have? Cisco, this TAC role you will get only in product based companies. This TAC role you will see only in product based companies. So
Sir,
Cisco.
maybe fresher can't get the stack
Yes,
engineering
yes,
as a
cannot,
fresher.
cannot. Fresher can get it, very few. So currently I have a clients like Movet, okay, IOPEX. There you can get it, but very rare. But experienced candidate, 100% you can get it as a tag role. Okay, yeah. So recently, one of my non-technical guy who worked at night shift, he is a HR recruiter. Okay, he has 2.5 years of experience with 3 LPA, 2.8 LPA, I guess. He got a job in Palo Alto as a Palo Alto tech engineer. His name is Kiran. I will show you. There is a like that. There is a lot. Okay, so experienced
9
candidate,
LPA.
yeah, 9 LPA. They can get a lot. Okay, so the thing is, there are three companies, guys: startups, service based companies, product based companies. Remember this. You should have a good agenda. సో మీరు మీకు మీకు చాలా వరకు తెలియదు బయట ఏం జరుగుతుందో. ఐటీ ఇండస్ట్రీ ఈజ్ ఏ కమర్షియల్ ఇండస్ట్రీ. IT industry is a commercial industry. If you have a skill set, they will hire it, and they will earn the amount from you, from your skills, and they will give some amount to you. That's it. Suppose service based companies are there. Service based companies will bulk do bulk hiring, and they will get a project. Where they will get a project? From product based companies. Who are the product based companies? Microsoft, Google, Oracle, Amazon, Cisco. These all are product based companies. These product based companies, if you get a job in these product based companies, as a fresher you will get minimum 1 lakh per month. But in TCS Infosys, 10 years back it is 25,000, now also it is 25,000. Yes or no? Agree with me.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now
Perfect.
wonderful thing is, now there is no hiring. They are giving a ghost offer letters. In your colleges, they will do campus recruitment just for fulfilling the college seats, and your college management will tell that 100 members selected in Infosys and TCS. But people are still waiting for from last 2 years for joining letters. They're not getting any joining letters. They just got offer letter, but they didn't get any joining letter. Still people are
Exactly
waiting.
happened with me too, sir.
Yes,
Exactly happened with
right,
me.
that is called ghost offer letters. They are tied up with the companies, creating a, what is that, masala for all the parents, and gathering the people. That's what it is going. This is really shit in India. Seriously, education, people doing business with education. So this has to be changed, guys. Okay. Anyhow, I'll talk it later about this. So now, product based companies, aim for product based companies, not for service based. But freshers, you need a job. You need to remove that fresher tag. Once you get a job, work for 1 year. Now you cannot even look into back. You will go like, you know you will go like a jet speed. I'm telling you, I'll tell you. Okay. So for experienced candidates in non-technical or technical, don't worry, I'll talk about you. Yeah, the thing is, we have a plenty of product based companies in networking domain. So it's very easy to get a job in product based company. చాలా ఈజీ అండి ప్రోడక్ట్ బేస్డ్ కంపెనీలో జాబ్ కొట్టడం. మన నెట్వర్కింగ్లో సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీర్స్లో అలా కాదు, వాళ్ళకు ఉండేదే తక్కువ. ఓకే. ప్రోడక్ట్ బేస్డ్ కంపెనీలో సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డొమైన్లో ప్రోడక్ట్ బేస్డ్ కంపెనీలో జాబ్ కొట్టాలంటే చాలా తక్కువ ఛాన్సెస్. కానీ మన కంపెనీలో చాలా ఉన్నాయి. యూ కెన్ గెట్ ఎ జాబ్ ఇన్ ఇన్విడియా, వీ హ్యావ్ ఎ ఓపెనింగ్స్. ఓకే. యా. సో this is me. I worked in the year of 2016. Okay. Whatever you see right here, look at this device. This is called ASR 9K. The cost of this device is 5 crores now. Okay. Look at this small device, it is ASR 920, it is 4 lakh rupees. This is 13 lakh rupees. Okay. Yeah, I was very lucky to got an opportunity to work with these devices. Okay. Now the role is cloud network engineer. Cloud network engineer is nothing but network engineer only. He is working in data center for cloud company. That's why it is called cloud network engineer. That's it, nothing else. Okay. Same thing. Now this is a Amazon data center picture. When I was working in Amazon, we visited the location, and this is a picture, guys. How beautiful it is, right? Guys, if you get a job in Amazon, it's very good. Okay. The ambience, the way of culture, fantastic. But management culture is worst. They're treating Indian employees as a slaves in different departments. But they're getting huge income in AWS, not in e-commerce also. AWS. There are different departments in Amazon. My department was some, I cannot name it. AWS is good. If you guys, you can get the opportunity. My lot of colleagues are working in AWS. The thing is, Amazon is good. I mean, product based companies all are good. Oracle also very good. I work there. So product based companies will give you a lot of facilities, guys, for especially women's. You can do work from home. I was doing work from home from last 4.5 years. I was doing. I used to work for only 2 hours in Oracle. I'm getting monthly. Okay, I'll discuss later about my package. Okay, yeah. So now the thing is, this is a data center. Okay. Now this is time to reveal my journey. Okay, why I want to tell about my journey is, there is a lot of people here. A lot of people are thinking in different way. I need a software or any IT job where I can see Saturday Sunday parties, full of past culture, men and women can, go for out. No, guys, అంత మైండ్లో నుంచి తీసేయండి. మీరు చూసేది అంత నిజం కాదు బయట. ఇట్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ ఫేక్. ఓకే. డు నాట్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ సచ్ థింగ్స్ ఇన్ ఐటీ ఎన్వైర్న్మెంట్. ఓకే. So if you have such kind of dreams, immediately drop from this meeting and look for another one. My teaching style, my way of thing is different. Okay. See, here there is a lot of people who are looking for job genuinely. I'm here to provide jobs to them only. People who are having this kind of mindset, and some people calling me, Anna, మ్యారేజ్ సెట్ అయింది, జాబ్ కావాలి. మ్యారేజ్ సెట్ అయితే మ్యారేజ్కి వస్తా, జాబ్ ఇప్పించలేను. అంతే కదా. జాబ్ ఇప్పిస్తామా? అట్లా జాబ్ ఇప్పిస్తామని చెప్పిన వాడు ఫేక్. ఎవడైతే జాబ్ ఇప్పిస్తామని చెప్తున్నాడో వాడు ఫేక్. అంతే, ఆలోచించకూడదు. రైట్.
Sir, can you speak in English? बराबर ये बराबर होना.
Okay, let me speak in English. Okay. So what I'm trying to tell you is, people are calling me, hello brother, my marriage is scheduled in next month, I need a job to complete my marriage. So they have a lot of demands. I said, if your marriage is scheduled, I'll come and I'll bless you, but I cannot bless you with the job. I cannot give guarantee. Right. Who can provide jobs? Whoever is said that I'm provide a job, I mean, like 100% job you'll get it, that is fake. No one can give you job. You have to prove yourself. In case if anyone saying like that, it is fake. Please remember it. If you pay any amount, that is fake. Don't pay any amount for job. It is not like that. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. Lot of people having lot of things. Some people have a good background, like good money. Their papa and their grandfather are well settled and very good, amount they have. They just need a job for status purpose, status symbol. If anyone is like that, please drop from here. If anyone is treating job as a status symbol, please, okay, I don't encourage that. But even some people are there who are having good background, they're respecting the job, they sincerely want to stood by themselves. దే అంటే వాళ్ళ కాళ్ళ మీద వాళ్ళే నిలబడాలనుకుంటున్నారు, తల్లిదండ్రుల మీద ఆధారపడకుండా. ఎస్పెషల్లీ అమ్మాయిలు. అమ్మాయిలను చూసి నేను చెప్తున్నానండి, నా దగ్గర ఎంతోమంది పూర్ ఫ్యామిలీస్, ఫాదర్ ఉంటే మదర్ ఉండరు, మదర్ ఉంటే ఫాదర్ ఉండరు, అమ్మాయిలు కష్టపడుతున్నారు, అబ్బాయిలు కూడా అట్లే కష్టపడుతున్నారు. రీసెంట్గా ఇఫ్ యూ సీ ఏ సక్సెస్ స్టోరీ ఇన్ మై Insta or YouTube channel, there is a guy who came by cycle. Do you show me one guy who can ride a cycle nowadays? He is a BTech graduate. He came from Kadapa to Hyderabad, not by cycle generally, came by train only. And but from hostel to here he used to come by cycle. Now we referred him to the client. He went to the interview through cycle only, by cycle only. And interviewer called me, hey, this guy came by cycle. Okay, forget about it. How he performed in interview? He performed very well, and now he's working in Vedant company in Hyderabad only from last 8 months, not 8 months, 6 7 months. Okay, so the thing is, guys, see, the thing is, you have to take a serious about job. If you have this kind of demands, this kind of needy things, greedy things, you can drop from here. Okay, so I can respect the people who need job genuinely. Whatever I'm providing the clients, right, you need to utilize it. And one more thing I'm telling you, people are joining here, we are referring them after taking mock interviews, we are referring them. They're getting offer letter with 2.5 lpa. Minimum freshers will get 2.5 lpa here. Okay, it will vary to 4.5 lpa. Some people may get 3 lpa, 3.5 lpa, like that. So one guy got a offer letter, just an example, and immediately his friend got offer letter from another company with 3 lpa. Now he is starting comparing that, and he's increasing his greediness. And in front of the client, he didn't join the job in that client, wherever we referred, and the client is calling us, hey, you referred this guy and we have taken him and he didn't join. Now the client lost the trust, right? Yes or no? So i
Yes,
want
sir.
to
Yes,
i
sir.
want to make very strict. Okay, so guys, before going to refer you, we will inform you, hey, this is a company, these are roles and responsibilities you have to do, this is a package. If you really like it, go it. Next time if he did any mistake, we cannot allow him to refer him again. Okay, because ఒక జాబ్ వస్తే చాలు కదా, 10 జాబులు కావాలన్నా? అందరికి ఈక్వల్ ఆపర్చునిటీ రావాలి కదా, ఎవ్రీ వన్ షుడ్ బి ఈక్వల్, రైట్? సి, నౌ ఆఫ్టర్ లిజనింగ్ ఆల్ దీస్ థింగ్స్, లిజన్ మై స్టోరీ హియర్. I started my journey in the year of 2014. Okay, my journey was like, my father was the auto driver, I'm telling you. Okay, nothing. We used to stay in, like కొట్టం అంటారు కదా, ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఏమంటారు కొట్టాన్ని? I don't know.
హట్ ఉంటారు.
Yeah. So the thing is, we used to stay beside the road kind of stuff. Okay, we very poor, very poor family, I'm telling you. Okay, but my mother did a very good hard work, and I studied my BTech with the fee reimbursement. That's why here I know the pain for fee reimbursement students. So that's why I'm giving 50% discount to the fee reimbursement students on CCNA. Okay, I know that value. Okay, so the thing is, guys, here I completed my BTech. I came here in 2013. In Hyderabad, there is Telangana and Andhra. Some bifurcation is going on. So I attended almost 75 interviews. At 75th interview, I got a job. That was miracle. Okay. Anyhow, so I got a job. Okay, I got a job, and for that too, for government department, treasury department. Do you know treasury department? Who will give
Yeah, sure, I do.
yeah. So who will give salaries to the government people? Government people cannot get salaries by their own, they have to apply every month. Okay, yeah, anyhow, so I worked for the department, treasury, finance department, all treasury departments, enterprise architectures, I used to handle it. This is my journey. At that time, my salary was 8,000 rupees. Just 8k rupees after deductions. Okay, yeah. Then I worked there for 2 years, then I moved to, I told you, right, APSFL service provider. See, look at this here. Did you see me? These are
Yes,
the
sir. Yes,
these are
sir.
the DWDM devices, ASR 90s, 920s, lot of things are there. Okay, here I worked for 2 years. Now I worked for 4 years. But I had a dream to get a job in Infosys. There was a story. when I was a fresher, I attended the interview in Infosys campus. It was after seeing the campus, I fall in love with that campus. It's like such big buildings. Oh my god, it's like a heaven. Okay, so job కొడితే ఇట్లాంటి కంపెనీలో కొట్టాలి అంటే if you want to get a job, you have to get a job this kind of companies. I felt like this. Then after 4 years, I want to get a job in good company. I learned a lot. I felt like I learned a lot, and then I started giving interviews. Luckily, I got an opportunity with Infosys. I joined there. This is Infosys Pocharan campus. Infosys. Oh, you also great. So in Infosys, you can see the CCC building, right? Yeah. So in Infosys Pocharan campus, I joined, right. Then I thought once I join Infosys, I can handle entire Infosys company architecture. I felt like this. I has a lot of expectations, and I joined there. And then induction, 1 week induction, guys. You know what? After the induction, if you want to talk with a girl, you will fear like this. They will give you a training call. What is the training? Pause training. Okay. So in service-based companies, they will give you induction like pause training. Anyhow, it happened. So after that, okay, where is my project? I want to work on in networking stuff. At that time I had done a CCNA certification also, but they said they kept you in bench. I was shocked. Are yaar, I have a 4.5 years of experience. Why you keep me in bench? Service based companies will work like that. They will hire the candidates, experienced candidates from outside. They will keep in bench. Nowadays they directly contacting with the client only. But in 5 years back, I'm telling you, they will keep in bench. Now I was looking for networking project. Now what they did, they mapped me with the SAP project. I said I'm a network engineer. I was a network engineer. I'm a network engineer. I have networking skills. How you will map to
సేమ్
SAP?
నాకు కూడా అంతే.
అవునమ్మా. యా చూడండి బాధితులు బయటకు వస్తున్నారు. ఓకే రైట్ యా. సో శాప్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ మ్యాప్ చేశారు. ఐ సెడ్ హే మ్యాన్ డెలివరీ మేనేజర్, ఐ క్యాంట్ యాక్సెప్ట్ దిస్ ప్రాజెక్ట్. ఐ సెడ్ దాట్. బట్ he said if you can't accept this project, I will give you a red flag. I said, Are yaar, within if you have 10% syllabus, 10% networking content, I can accept it. It's completely unrelated to me. He said, Hey, you'll get allowances, blah blah blah. Whatever the allowances, I don't want. He said, You will give a red flag. You can give red flag or yellow flag or green, whatever the flag you want to give it. I don't want to join. Then after 2 days, I got a feedback. They said skills mismatch. That's it. Anyhow, so then I
పిఏపి
decided. ఏంటమ్మా సేమా?
అవునన్నా పిఏపి అండ్
No.
నెక్స్ట్ వి నీడ్ టు గో టు
Mm.
మైసూర్ అండ్ దేర్ దే విల్ గివ్ ట్రైనింగ్ అనదర్ ట్రైనింగ్.
Okay. Yeah. So see now, okay. So now the next thing is I decided one thing. I interacted with so many people who came from Tech Mahindra, TCS, and like that. Now I understand service-based company culture. Oh my God. So every Saturday, Sunday there is a DJ in Pocharan campus. Friday also, right? Entertainment ki doka ledu. Full entertainment. I have a batch, 18 members of batch. Now I was a leader. I was a funny guy. I was cracking all the jokes. Like I used to go movies, and like after 2 months I realized that, hey, what is going on in my life? Okay. Then everything is entertainment. So finally, there is a library. So I used to sit there and read in library. Then I got a project called Calix related to the networking. I accepted it. I worked it 3 months. Then I realized it. I don't want to stay here. I don't like the service based company, especially culture in the sense, like I was a technical guy. Like I want to swim in the technical stuff. Okay. And then I never want to go to service based company. Okay. So I resigned it, because after 6 months there is a probation period will be completed. Only 3 months notice period. Companies will not accept it, right? So now I tried for, that's where my journey turned. Okay, I got a job in Juniper as a TAC engineer. Now I'm here in front of you, right, with this knowledge. Because of this TAC, I was fly to Chennai there, and I worked as a Juniper TAC engineer. I learned a lot. At that time I have a 4.5 years experience. I can configure BGP, lot of protocols, troubleshoot, but I don't know at the back end. If you type www.google.com, what will happen at the back end, the packet level. Can you go on mute, guys? Yeah, I don't know that. That's where I learned it. From there I moved to Nokia. Nokia is locked down. That's why there is no picture here. Don't mind. Okay. Now I moved to Amazon. After Amazon, I moved to Oracle. So Oracle, I have a pictures, but this is a one year old thing. Okay. So now I was in Oracle. Now December 2nd, I relieved from Oracle because I want to serve for you. Okay. lot of students need guidance and all, so I decided I'm enjoying the student success. I earn a lot. Okay, so now that time my package was 40 lpa. Okay, that is only fixed, guys. Okay, I started journey with 8,000 rupees per month. After that, till December I was paying 75,000 rupees per month tax only. So that only what, 40 lpa only fixed pay. When you join in any product based company, they will give you shares. If you see right in IIT NITs, this guy got a 3 crore package, 4 crore package. That is not full amount, guys. Are you listening to me, everyone? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir. I'm listening.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
We can hear you.
Yeah, that 40, that
Yes,
4,
sir.
yeah, that
100%
4,
of change.
yeah, that 4 crore rupees is not a fixed
Yes.
package. So out of 4 crore rupees, you will get a 50 lakhs is just fixed pay, 3.5 crore or 3 crores will be shares. That is also will give you year by year. Okay, so whatever you see on the TV, don't believe blindly. Okay, so I'm here to reveal the truth. Okay, so the companies will offer you in the form of shares. So after that, when I was working in Oracle, I got an opportunity with Meta to fly to London. So Amazon provided me the business visa and visa also. I can go to Seattle. I supposed to go to Seattle, but I don't want to go to other countries because I'm earning good here. I have independence here. I have my own ethics. Like, that is my personal. I don't want to go other countries, and I'm enjoying here. Okay, so that's why even I got a visa. I didn't travel to other countries. So they told me, Meta told me to travel to London, but I did not. And then Google also I got an offer with 97 lakhs. That is fixed and remaining package. Okay, so guys, you can't believe it. This technology will give you more packages to you. Okay, but people don't think about package. Think about technical skills. That skills will lead this kind of packages. Make sense, everyone? So this is my success story. And the thing is, I was doing a field job for 4 years. Boys, I'm telling to every boys, only for boys, in this networking domain you will also have a field jobs. Field job అంటే మట్టి పని కాదు, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఏదో మట్టి పని చేసేది కాదు. అక్కడ సైట్స్ ఉంటాయి. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ట్రావెల్, దట్స్ ఇట్. యూ మే గో ట్రావెల్ త్రూ ఫ్లైట్స్, మేబీ బస్సెస్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో టు ద sites. In that sites you may have a networking equipment. You need to troubleshoot and install and work on it. That's it. That is called field. Okay, so if you have such kind of, if you got it, that such kind of job, don't never underestimate the power of field job, because in the field only you will see practical things. Okay, girls doesn't have that opportunities. Okay, boys, you will have it. And now మా ఇంట్లో ఒప్పుకోవట్లేదు ఫీల్డ్ జాబ్కి, మా మామ ఒప్పుకోవట్లేదు, చాలా ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, మా అత్తగారు ఉంటారు, ఒప్పుకోరు, తెలిస్తే పిల్లనివ్వరు, ఇట్లాంటివి ఉంటాయి దండిగా. ఓకే, ఫీల్డ్ జాబ్ అంటే చాలా ఇట్లా మాట్లాడారు కాబట్టి నేను చెప్తున్నా, ఇవన్నీ మాట్లాడారు నాతో. ఓకే, నెవర్ అండర్ ఎస్టిమేట్. నేను మరి ఫీల్డ్ జాబ్ చేశానే మరి, వేర్ ఐ వాజ్ అండ్ వేర్ ఐఎమ్ రైట్ నౌ. నెవర్ ఎవర్ అండర్ ఎస్టిమేట్ ఎనీ జాబ్ గాయస్. నేను చెప్పుల షాప్లో కూడా పనిచేసా జాబ్ లేనప్పుడు. అడిడాస్ షోరూంలో పనిచేసా. ఐ మై ఫాదర్ వాజ్ ఏ ఆటో డ్రైవర్. ఐ నో ఆటో హౌ టు డ్రూ. So in the year of intermediate, right, 2009, in Karnool, I used to drive a auto. Okay, per day I used to earn 1,000 rupees on that day to fulfill my family needs. Later I joined, I did a catering as well. Catering, everyone knows, right? Who can serve the food? I did a catering. I worked in a Adidas showroom. People who visit to showroom, right? I used to wear the socks to them, and I used to do that. But I felt very happy. I'm not doing anything wrong, right? Genuinely I'm working, right? So I'm not doing any cheating or anything. I haven't done anything. So I used to compare with Abraham Lincoln, and a lot of people succeeded from low to high. Now I'm very happy. Lot of 500 plus students got a job within this 1 year. It means 500 families all are happy. The way they're showing gratitude, right? I cannot end with that money. Okay, I'm that's what I want to see. Here you have to be very genuine. You're here loyal, honesty. If you have these three things, technical part I will take care of it, and client also will accept you. Even if you have a educational gap, career gap, anything, I am here to provide that, because I earn the trust from the clients. Understand, everyone? Yeah. So now, what is the packages for freshers? You will get 2.5 to 3 lpa minimum, depends on your skill set. And experienced candidates, even 2 years experience candidates also getting a job. Sorry, 2 years experience can also getting a 300-400% hike. So this is just a rough estimation. For freshers you will get minimum 2.5 lpa here. Okay, yeah. Now I want to address people. Okay, Sorry for taking a lot of time. This is a final topic which I want to show you the offer letters. Okay, so guys, are you seeing here? So if you are in this group, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think this demo I spoke a lot. Don't mind, okay? If anything out of the out of the thing, okay?
Take much more time, sir.
That's so. Yeah, thank you. You see this guy, right? This guy,
So these guys only for CCNA.
no internship. It is not like that. I will explain that. I'll explain that. Okay. So lot of people look at this. Okay. So we had a client called Deepija Telecom. They need 24 profiles in the month of November. We referred almost 24 members. After filtering, 6 members got selected. 3 LPA. He got 3 LPA. Okay. He is a fresher. Okay. Now look at this man. This is a guy. So here, oh, what is happening? 1 second. Yeah. If you see here, right, he is doing non-technical job. He don't know anything in networking. So why non-technical people can move to networking? It's easy because everywhere you have internet, right? Everywhere you will see IT team. Even in non-technical, you guys are creating that boundaries, technical, non-technical. In a company, there is no such a technical and non-technical stuff. You are a company of the employee. That's it. When you join in Infosys, there will be a electrical engineer, there will be a software engineer, test engineer, but the role they're giving is system engineer. System engineer means you may be anything. Okay, senior system engineer, you may be anything. You're a software engineer or network engineer, what, right? Your, see, designation doesn't matter. A lot of people having that question, Anna, if I want to move non-technical to technical, my role is sales manager. Nothing. You can be sales manager, you can be anything. Okay, you can tell them initially I joined as that role, but immediately they saw the networking skills on me, I moved to the networking team. The designation carried over there. So for hell lot of technical non-technical people moved to technical. This is a one of the guy, Pawan Kalyan. He was a recruiter, IT recruiter, like same like Kiran. Okay, so he got happiest mind with 7.5 LPA. His packages was just 2.2 LPA, and he has a gap also. He has a gap after the job. He got it recently. What is the date? December 12th. So what is the date now? December 16th, just 4 days back. Guys, you see this offer letter? One of the student also joined in happiest minds with 14.5 LPA. Her name is Manisha. Her success story is there in YouTube, also check it. Okay, so yeah, this is one of the examples. Hi everyone. So now you see here, yeah, now look at this 11 LPA. She has, sorry, he is also a technical guy. He worked in TCS, I guess, and 2.5 years experience. Now he got 11 LPA. 2.5 to 11 LPA, how much percentage it is? 200% or 300%, right? Look at that. So,
Almost 400.
yeah.
400.
సో జనరల్గా బయట ఎవరు ఆఫర్ లెటర్లు చూపించరు. నేను ఎందుకు ఇంత ధైర్యంగా చూపిస్తానంటే అంత జెన్యున్గా ఉంది. ఎవరు ఏదో వచ్చినా ప్రింట్ తీసి చూపిస్తా. అవునా కదా? ఇప్పుడు ఎవడైనా
Yes,
సరే,
sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఎవడైనా సరే ధైర్యంగా మాట్లాడుతున్నాడంటే వాడు నిజాయితీగా ధర్మం ప్రకారం అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి మాట్లాడతాను. నేను కూడా అంతే. నేను నాకు ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో కామెంట్స్ ఒక అతను పెట్టాడు, కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ ఉంటే ఎందుకు ఎట్లా తీసుకుంటే కంపెనీస్ అని. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ డొమైన్ కంపెనీస్ తీసుకోవేమో, మన నెట్వర్కింగ్ డొమైన్ తీసుకుంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద పవర్ ఆఫ్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ డొమైన్, ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ డొమైన్. నౌ ఇదంతా అందుకే డెమోలో జాయిన్ అవ్వని చెప్తా. చాలా మందికి వాళ్ళు పెరిగిన ఎన్వైరన్మెంట్ వాళ్ళకి నాలెడ్జ్ తెలియదు. వాళ్ళని ఎడ్యుకేట్ చేయడమే నా బాధ్యత. ఓకే, నౌ లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ క్యూబిక్. సో ఇవన్నీ ఆఫర్ లెటర్లు చూపించి మీరు మిమ్మల్ని ఇక్కడ జాయిన్ చేయమని చెప్పట్లేదు. ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ, యూ హ్యావ్ ఏ హ్యూజ్ గ్రోత్ ఇన్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ డొమైన్. సేమ్ ఇలాగే నాలాగా ప్యాకెట్ లెవెల్లో ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చేవాళ్ళు మీరు ఎక్కడైనా జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు. ఆల్ ఐ వాంట్ యూ ఈస్, you have to learn about the career in this networking and choose your career wisely. Okay, so if you see, right, cubic solutions, her name is Alekya. Okay, she joined in the month of August or July. So her package is also just 2.5. Now she got almost 10.5 LPA. చూస్తున్నారా 10.5 అని ఉంది అక్కడ, చూస్తున్నారా? ఓకే,
Yes,
యా
sir. Yes, sir.
యా. నౌ
Yes,
One
sir.
more is from Dutch Bank, I guess.
Hi everyone. Yes,
Of 16.5.
yeah,
Yes.
16.2 LPA, Dutch bank, German bank. Okay, this
Yes,
is by
yes.
one of my client. So Ginex CEO, I met with this his CEO. He has a lot of visions, lot of openings. Okay, this guy, now I want to tell you one story. This guy has a career gap, lot of career gap. Okay, and we train him very well. He is very good at technical. Now he got how much package? He had 1.8 or something. Now he got how much? 5 LPA, right?
LPA.
5 LPA is a good package or not, right? Now after seeing so many success in other students, he's comparing with others. He send a message to HR. This package I cannot afford it. I'm not affordable with this. How greedy he is, right? I'm not bad about, I'm not saying anything bad about him, but that kind of be, thought, you need to change it. See, once you join here, work for 1 year, then you will get a 10 lakh, right? So now he denied that offer letter. Okay, no problem. Client is saying that, Ramesh, I trust you, send me one more good guy. Okay, I'm ready to send now. Okay, see, everything will be there. I'm telling you who is good, who is not good, what is the situation and all. Okay, so now these all are people who clear the Juniper exam. Now this guy, man, I will upload today, I will upload a one success story. How many career gap students now, everyone please watch it. This guy, what is his name? Kareem. He passed out in the year of 2014.
14.
Okay, he cracked the job in Ananta. Anantana ఏంటది చెన్నైలో అనుంట.
Into.
ఓకే, 2.5 ఎల్పిఏ. అతడు చాలా నిజాయితీపరుడు. సక్సెస్ స్టోరీ వచ్చినప్పుడు కొంచెం ఎమోషనల్ అయ్యాడు. జనరల్గా చెప్తుండేది ఏంటంటే, ద థింగ్ ఈజ్, హౌ మెనీ ఇయర్స్ కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ 2014 to 2025? 11 or 12? 11, right? After
11.
11 years.
11 years he got a job. This is a proof. Okay, if you want to talk, right, his number is there also, you can call him and talk to him. I will upload this resume, I mean success story. The thing is, he joined 3 months back, ma. Okay, so companies, so he got 2.5 lpa, so he accepted. I told accept it, maybe 2 3 years you will reach to 7 lpa or anything. So other people also, yesterday I made a reel, like, other people also know, if I have a career gap, I can get a job. But they're comparing with their friends. Now, my friend is getting 10 lpa, if I join with 2.5 lpa, this is not good. Okay, let go with the fake certificates. Fake certificates, 6 lpa 7 lpa package, they will create it, they will move, and within 2 months they'll come back. What is this shit? Okay, nonsense. If you go with that like that, right, you have, every day you're getting a fear, right? When they will come to know about me, and you'll suffer a lot. Does anyone here like that? You can talk, no problem. Okay, there is a lot of candidates. Okay, backdoor.
Yes,
You
yes,
know what,
sir.
you know what backdoor, I will tell you a story, backdoor story. There is a
Yes, yes, I
girl.
am the person.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. My friends paid for around 5 lakhs.
Oh my
They're
god.
out of the company after 4 months.
Oh my god. See, look at this. He paid 5 lakhs. Finally, you realize it. Thank you, brother. And
Got
one
it
more.
for 10 lakhs package.
Oh
And I
my
got
god.
4.5 LPA in
Okay.
last year, 2023.
Okay.
And I worked for 8 months. But because there is no project, I came out.
Yeah. That's how it is. They
Now
will do
I
backdoor.
work,
Yeah.
I work on different on Oracle only, Oracle
Okay.
project.
Okay.
And now I don't know what was. I'm
I'll
fully
I,
like
I
confused
I'm
about
here,
that.
man.
Like what,
No problem.
how to
I'll
build my
tell you.
career like
I'll
that.
tell
So
you. I'll tell you. I'll take care of it. I'll tell you and
Sir,
I'll.
could you please tell me, may I know the what are the topics going to cover in this
Yeah,
one
yeah.
month?
I'm coming to that only. I'm coming to that only. Just 2 minutes. I'll end this. Okay. So this guy is having, and Capgemini person. One girl called me. She paid same 10 lakh rupees. They hired her like that. 400 people. Capgemini is hired. Okay. For 400 people. 400 into 5 lakhs. 10 lakhs. How much? 40 crores or 4 crores. Right?
4 crores. Yes.
Whatever it is, so they're looting the amount like that. So a lot of shit things are going happening, right, in IT industry. You know what, even if you submit your certificates, pan card, you don't need to go office. You will get salary by month, 1 lakh rupees. Out of 1 lakh you need to submit 75,000 to the the rogue person. Okay, those things also happening. Okay, so don't దానికి అట్రాక్ట్ అయ్యి అడ్డదారిలో పోకండి. ఓకే.
Sure. I know your success story, sir. One of my friend he also passed out from same stream. We are both done MBA. He got a job in 20 days after enrolling in CCNA certificate from your institute.
Yeah.
Like he got in. His name is Akash Goud, tall guy, black one. Maybe
Oh,
you know.
yeah, I know him. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, he enrolled for CCNA certificate for the 30 days, but he got a job in 20 days.
Yeah.
Uh, After 3 months, he changed the company. He was working in Madhya Pradesh, Sachin for
Yeah.
the 5 lakh LPA right now.
Yeah, fantastic, na? See?
Yeah, sir. He given the reference to meet you.
Oh, that's great. So yeah, like that, see, lot of people are here now, guys. Whatever the syllabus, see, once you done the Juniper certification, that certification is looks like this. Thank you, brother, for calling out. It's really great. Yeah. So you see, right? This is a certification. Once you pass the Juniper certification, you'll get like this. This is scorecards, and now you see, right? Some people is asking syllabus. Go to my website tungabhadranetworks.in. Okay, so if you want to CCNA syllabus, click on CCNA. You will see the syllabus here. Are you seeing the syllabus? So remember,
Yes, sir.
guys, this is
Yes, sir.
not related to the certification syllabus. This is designed by me based on the industry standards. What company is exactly using, exactly I'm delivering here. Whatever they're using, I'm teaching here. Whatever it is not using much, it doesn't make any sense. Even there is a protocol called BGP. That BGP protocol is part of CCNP. You no need to enroll CCNP. That BGP will covered in CCNA only. Okay, so this course is designed by me. This is a basics. That basics I will teach you with packet level analysis from day one. You will learn packet level analysis. What do you mean by packet level? Even cyber security people who want to move security side, they are learning here at packet level. What does it mean? Always you want to know Wi-Fi password, right? Others Wi-Fi password. You guys are crazy, I know. Everyone, like, you know
Yes, sir.
yeah, right. If you want to learn those, if you want to learn that craziness things, right, you should learn this packet level stuff. Okay, see, if you want to know what your friend is watching, what websites, what is IP addresses, right? So you see, right, currently I'm getting a internet through Wi-Fi, yes or no? Look at this. This is a tool called
Yes, sir.
Wireshark analysis. I'm doing packet capture of Wi-Fi now. See, this is a data. This is a live data. My voice is a data. That voice data is carrying by UDP protocol, and you see this. Whatever you see, right? 192.168.29.17. Are you seeing here? This 29.7 is what? My
Yes, sir.
IP.
Yes, sir.
This is my computer IP address. See,
The kind of hacker things.
you can say, look at this. This is my computer IP address. Look at this. Is it matching? What my computer is interacting with the websites, what exactly is going at the back end? Once you type a www.google.com on your browser, what exactly is happening? How the data is leaving from your computer to the server to the computer? If you want to learn, this is a thing. This kind of Wireshark packet level analysis nowhere will teach you, because only tech engineers will know. That's why other institutions, they will hire a candidates from outside. They will pay 1 hour 1000. After 1 hour they will leave it. Here it is not like that. This is a company. Classes are taken care by me, CCNA, CCNP, Juniper. 1 hour is class. After that, I am here to clarify all your doubts. Okay. Once you got a clear picture, I will exit the meeting. All classes are online. Once the class is completed, you have to come to office and practice on real devices. Get a hands-on experience. We deals with the UKUS projects also. Live projects also we will show you. Okay. So this is a packet level analysis. You have to learn each field. What is layer 2? What is layer 3? What is layer 4? So each and every field, from day one I will start teaching this. So each and every topic, whatever you're learning, right, how exactly it is happening, you should make some sense, right? ఏదో అన్న ఇక్కడ జాబ్లు ఇప్పిస్తున్నారు, కళ్ళు మూసుకుంటే జాబ్ వస్తుంది, ఆయన చెప్పినట్టు చేద్దాం అని అట్లా ఒప్పుకోనమ్మా. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే, వై ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ డెమో ఫర్ ఈచ్ does anyone is taking demo for each batch, any institutions? Why I'm taking demo? Because you should create passion towards the technology. You should love the technology. You should understand how it works, basics. Then, so a lot of people doesn't know what is passion, because they don't know about technology. I'm here to convey this is the technology. And now మీకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వస్తుందా? ఓ ఇంటర్నెట్ మీరు డైలీ లైఫ్లో యూస్ చేసేదే కదా ఇది. అట్లీస్ట్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆన్లైన్ పీపుల్, ఆర్ యూ గైస్ గెటింగ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ like technology, about technology?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Right. So this is how it is. Okay, so I will teach you everything at packet level with Wireshark analysis, each and every protocol. These are the basics. Okay, then after routing and switching technologies, these are the things. And then here I am giving you product training. What do you mean product training? You are working on routers and switches, right? There are a lot of companies. You should know about hardware. If you don't know about hardware, where you will configuring it? So the advantage of here is I am giving you product training, so you will get a good hands-on experience on hardware devices, protocols, everything. It is like a industrial training. You can feel like a 10 years experience guy after the training. I'm challenging you. Okay. Yeah, this is a syllabus: CCNA, CCNP, Juniper, Palo Alto, network automation, real time projects. For experienced candidates, I'm providing real time project. Non technical people, Hana, once I join a company, how can I manage? Nothing. You're practicing here, live thing. You're not faking anything. Whatever you're learning, you're mentioning in resume and you're trying for job. That's it. Okay. Here we will teach you ticketing tools, monitoring tools, how you will get ticket, what is your roles and responsibility. Tickets you will get, right? In any company you will get a tickets. So why, yeah, why why they're giving lakhs of rupees per month to you? Because you will get a tickets, you need to handle it. What kind of tickets you will get, what kind of scenario based questions they will ask, everything they will cover in, we will cover in real time projects. Okay. Yeah. So now I designed a course for each and every department people. Okay. So knowledge is not limited to someone, it's up to them what you want to take. So guys, now listen carefully which course I need to take. I want to address for freshers, experience in technical, experience in non technical. Everyone I'm suggesting you. First of all, let's understand what is fresher, what is not fresher. First of all, freshers. If you guys are freshers, it means you are not working anywhere. You don't have any relieving letter, offer letter. You did not work anywhere. You are a fresher. Career gap doesn't matter for me. You guys are freshers, freshers. Okay. Now, some people may do a part-time job. There the PF account is created, but they don't have relieving letter. No problem. You will consider as a fresher only. Remember this thing. The company is required. Guys, listen to me carefully. The company is required two things. One is relieving letter. Another one is bank statements. These are very important. Okay. The company is required relieving letter and bank statements. Okay. Yeah, relieving letter, bank statements, last 3 months bank statements, they need it. Okay. Can you hear me everyone? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Even, yeah,
Yes, Ramesh.
Yes, sir.
even,
Yes, yes, yes.
even,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
yeah, even if you worked in any company, if you don't have relieving letter, you cannot be eligible as a experienced guy. You are a fresher only. If you absconded, okay, suppose you worked in 3 companies, 2 companies you have a proper pay slips, relieving letter and all, that experience only will be considered here. Whatever you have you don't have a documents, that not be considered. And if you ask me, are you guys can create a fake? No. You, after listening all this, no one can dare to ask such question to me, right? Right. So we should not provide any fake certificates, fake or illegal things. Okay. Whatever you have genuinely, that will be considered. We can train you, we can give you the real time projects. If you work in any anywhere, right, like a salesperson or whatever it is, they will give you one offer letter to you, one relieving letter to you when you leave the company. That's it. And bank statement should be there. If you don't have bank statements, it is very, pay slips should be have. Okay. Even if you don't have pay slips, bank statement is enough. Okay. Yeah. So guys, they should give salary through banks only, not through cash. If they're giving through cash, you need to ask your company, hey, for proof. So they will give a letter pad to you. Okay. They will write a letter pad, I have given a cash to him. So take a seal and stamp, sign it on the paper and take that papers from the company. Okay. So yeah. So this is a thing. So freshers and experienced candidates, clear, right? Who will consider as experienced candidate? If you have a proper documentation, then only it will be considered as experienced candidates. Experience in technical or non-technical don't matter for me. I will give you training equally from scratch day one. Okay. I'll take care about the technical part. Is it clear? Now, who is, who want to take what? Like freshers. Freshers, we have a freshers internship. Okay. Freshers, we have a fresher internship. One second. One second, guys. So I want to write this. Okay, freshers internship. Are you seeing my screen? Freshers internship. Are you able to see my screen, everyone?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Listen
sir.
carefully. Okay. Yeah. Okay. For freshers, right? We have a fresher internship. You need to take first. Fresher internship consists of CCNA mandatory. Now, next is Juniper JNCIA mandatory, because all this every hardware have a operating system, right? That operating system built with Linux kernel. Now NVIDIA device I show you, right, data center. That NVIDIA device also they use Linux kernel. You should have a Linux even if you want to move cloud Linux, guys. All these things built with Linux. Okay, so Linux for networking only, not administration. Here I'm teaching what? Linux for networking. Okay, Linux for networking. And for this batch, I added a course called AWS. So now you should have some cloud basics, right? So for the first time after 1.5 year, because of the client requirement, I'm changing the syllabus, changing the courses. Now I added AWS here. Okay, AWS skills also important, how the cloud services are working, like EC2 instances, other things. So this is course, and lot of people have communication skills, right? Problem. So I'm covering communication skills training and personality development skills. Personality development means not, will not sending you any gym to build your personality. It means how to write an email with your managers, how to communicate with your peers, right? Personality means like non-technical people or freshers doesn't aware of these things, right? IT things. Okay, we will we will take care of things, we will take care of that personality development skills as well. Okay, yeah. So fresher internship consists of all these courses. Okay, CCNA, Juniper, Linux for networking, AWS, and what, another one is communication skills. And this 5 package is called freshers internship. Okay, so if you have a good skill set, you have a opportunity. Recently DPJ telecom, right, they want two skills, CCNA plus Linux they want. We referred almost 24 people, 6 members got selected. One of the company need now cloud skills, cloud and CCNA they want. See, if you learn this, right, you may have multiple opportunities, you will get a job easily. And yeah, so yeah, this is what I'm providing right now. Here, the cost of this you can ask to my team. I don't know the cost, don't ask me fees and everything. My team will tell you, Vamshi, right? I think so. Yeah, so please ask my team. So but the cost is mainly they considering, CCNA and Juniper. CCNA and Juniper, Linux for networking, AWS. This is completely old package. The duration of this course is 2 months only for preparation. After that, 15 days will see every. The thing is CCNA, right? CCNA is for 1 month. For CCNA, after completion of CCNA only, we will send you to the clients. Back end, these courses will be going on at the back end. Okay, yeah. So only once CCNA is completed, whoever is asking a profiles, right, for CCNA level, will send you to the clients. Here the reference will be very strict. Every week we will conduct a mock interview. Basics will be completed, immediately we'll take a mock interview. Routing and switching, one mock interview. Overall, we'll take one mock interview. During this process, if you guys are not good at communication, immediately we'll allow you to join communication skills training. How many times you want to join communication skills, you can join. It's absolutely unstoppable until you get a familiar with the communication. But technical courses is not like that. Okay, you can come to offline. My team is there, they will help you. Communication skills trainer is there. Come, my company HR also, she will guide you. Okay, yeah. This is a fresher internship. Is it clear? Some people may ask, Anna, I want to take only CCNA. Please take it. Okay, whatever you want, you take it. My responsibilities, these are the courses which are demand in currently environment. If you want, you can check it in chat GPT also, you can check it anywhere. Okay, Naukari, LinkedIn. If you feel these are the important skills, then only you can consider. Maybe in your work, in your environment, maybe some people are working in networking, they suggested to only take CCNA. Yeah, you can take whatever you want to take it. Okay, yeah, this is my responsibility. These are the demanding skills. Based on the skills, you will get a good package. People who take internship, right, they got 3.5 4 LPA also. Recently Adico is my client. Cisco is the main company for the Adico client. They got it with 3 LPA. Okay, yeah, it's like that. Okay, now freshers is clear, right? Who is fresher? Fresher ఎవరెవరు ఉంటారు అండ్ ఫ్రెషర్స్ ఏమేమి తీసుకోవాలో చెప్పాను కదా. క్లియర్ కదా? డస్ ఎనీవన్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆన్ ఫ్రెషర్స్? Freshers, anyone having any question? Okay, now experienced candidates. Now this is very interesting. So experienced candidates, the courses are,
Sir, one question, sir.
yeah, please.
Sir, I am a student who is pursuing BTech final year. In the last sem,
Mm-hmm.
I was a cybersecurity one. I was a certified ethical hacker to CH. Also completed. I did
Very
an
good.
internship at Quality Technologies near in Orbit Mall,
Okay.
and currently I'm looking for the RHEL certification. So
Okay.
I'm planning for the CCNA and all this stuff in January like that.
Mhm.
That means what is the procedure? I will be graduated in May of 2026, sir.
Okay, so
Uh,
wonderful thing
what
is,
is the
yeah, I understand. People who want to move in cybersecurity directly as a fresher, it is very difficult. Even if you're certified, maybe there may be a chance, but there are two scams in industry. One is full stack developer, one is cybersecurity, right? Full stack developer, freshers can get a job as a full stack developer directly. How stupid it is! Without having front end experience or back end experience, you guys join in next wave directly, recording sessions, going through that. Man, how stupid it is. Okay, so I'm generally cybersecurity, yeah, anything can possible, but in real time the companies are earning amount based on your experience only. They are need experienced candidates. Okay, so for cyber security, I want to talk about my domain. If you want to move cyber security, you should work at least minimum 2 years in networking. You should understand how the data is flowing in across the internet. Why security is required? You need to check the data flow of data, right? What data it is flowing, layer 2, layer 3, layer 4 data, how it is exchanging, you should know deeply. Then you can block it, whatever you want to block it. You can secure it. IP layer security you can do it, application layer security you can do it. So first you need to good at basics, understand how the data exchanging across the internet, then learn security. So CCNA you do it, and do a job at least for 1 year in networking, then learn a cyber security tools like SOC analyst or penetration testing, whatever it is, then move it accordingly. But you need to tell them,
yes, sir.
1 year I worked in as a SOC analyst, not tell like a network engineer. Okay, don't tell like a network
Yes,
engineer. Okay, that's how you need to
yes,
do.
yes, sir.
Okay, got
Yes,
any
sir.
question?
I was complete. Yes, sir. I was completely into the penetration testing, and I used to solve the CTFs and all this
Okay.
stuff also
Okay.
using the Nmap, Wireshark, and all this.
Okay.
But that means what will be? I'm graduating in May 2026, sir. So, what is after joining the internship of TB Networks? What is the post things that will be takes place? That means you will provide the placement assistance
Yeah, that's what, right? See,
before May itself, like that, or what?
yeah, some companies see same like you. People last year 4-1 they got a, the companies they got the 4-2 candidates, fourth year second sem candidates. They hired as an intern. Okay, so by giving 4 LPA. So I'm not sure that will be happen or not. That is not in my hands, right? Which company is asking for intern or not. But now I have a lot of clients every day. Companies are calling me. If I find this guy has a good skill set, I personally refer them. Okay, they'll take it. Okay, even if you're studying also, my clients are saying that, Ramesh, you know what, I'm giving confidence to my clients. There are two things in this industry. Lot of fake profiles are there. So first I will check the behavior of the student. That is mandatory for me. Behavior, ethics, loyalty should be there, then technical skills, and then I will explain them. So because I'm filtering here itself, right? Companies is simply believing me. Okay, because I'm filtering the candidates here itself. They are conducting the interviews. If they are going through, they're taking it. Okay, yeah, through our company we will provide you placements. Until you get a job, placements will provide you. That is for networking role only, not for cyber security. But If you,
Okay, sir.
yeah, you got a clear picture, right? Maybe you may
Yes,
get
sir.
it within the completion of BTech also. Few candidates, not lot of students, only few candidates got the job. There is a possibility. It is not in my hands, but definitely you'll get it. Okay, even
Okay, sir.
after some companies is asking entire at least PC provisional certificate they are asking. Okay, yeah, is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now
Thanks.
for experienced candidates, let me talk about experience.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, ma.
Can I talk for a while because I am from USA, so it's been
Yeah, yeah.
1:30. I
I'm
had
really
a
sorry.
office.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Please
Yeah,
go ahead.
can you please share some details for the freshers internship because what timing and all
Yeah.
those
So
details?
it is a yes comfortable timing zone only. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. It will be for you a.m. 8 a.m. or 8:30 a.m.
Okay, so when this batch is going to, because I'm working in Oracle,
Yeah. Oh,
so
you're
during
Oracle.
office hours,
You work in
yes,
Oracle.
I'm
Which
working.
team? Which team?
I'm not
Ginoc.
team like you said
Ginoc.
before.
Ginoc.
Yes, knock. Yes, sir.
What is
Network reliability engineer.
your NRE?
Yes,
Ginoc or NRE team?
I am an RAT.
Okay. IC2 or IC3 ma?
Um,
What is your
but
role? IC2 or
uh,
IC3?
I'm network engineer one. I just joined like 2 months back.
In NRE team.
So
Who is your manager?
yes, NR. Geeta.
Kamte?
Yes,
Geeta Kamte? Okay.
yes, sir.
Okay. All are my colleagues in AWS. Okay,
Yeah,
fantastic.
I
Mm,
actually I see that and joined this session. So I
mm,
graduated 2023 and I came here for the masters. I
mm,
recently graduated on May 25.
mm.
Luckily, I placed in
Great.
this, but
So,
I don't have any
no
experience.
problem.
But
No problem. No
I just
problem.
have yeah. I want to talk to you personally.
Mm, mm.
So before that, I
We
just
can
want
talk.
to know. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So, yeah, I was also NRE, but senior in
yeah, I
NRE.
know.
Yeah.
After so much research, I got all the things, and I was following in Instagram. So I just
Okay.
want to talk
Fair
to
enough.
you.
Yeah, we can talk.
Yeah.
We can talk personally. So I'll tell you the cloud things. Okay, we can talk more one to one about this. Okay, if you want
Yeah.
to know any batch details, contact my team. They will tell you. Okay, my team will tell you
Oh.
when it will start, timings, invitation, everything, enrollment process, everything. Okay, they will tell you.
Oh.
Okay,
Oh.
yeah,
Okay. Sure. So and I can drop. And
yeah.
can you please provide your availability so tomorrow I can talk with you after my office
Yeah,
hours?
anytime you can call me, ma. No problem. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
Text
Thank you
me
so much
first.
for your
First
time. Yeah.
text me through WhatsApp, then call me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure. Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you, ma.
much.
Thank you. So for experienced candidates, right? So either you're a fresher or non-technical, these experienced candidates, I'm giving this training to only experienced candidates in technical, not non-technical. Non-technical people, I created a one more internship. I'll talk about it. This course is about technical candidates who has experience in networking, at least 1 year, minimum 1 year. If you have a minimum 1 year or you're supposed to complete 1 year in next 3 months, you can take this. Okay, CCNA, CCNP, Palo Alto, very important. Palo Alto is secure for, as a experienced candidate you may work with multi vendor environment, right? That's why Palo Alto. And Linux for networking is common, and AWS is there. I will fractionary I will give you. And real time projects, this is very important. Whatever you're working right now, you cannot put that in your resume. I'm going to give you big projects. What your senior engineers are doing, you have to mention that. Like complex working environment like MPLS, BGP, communities, path manipulation, lot of things are there. You need to mention that. You will do all the labs here, you can mention that in your resume, and you'll get a good job based on your resume only. People are seeing, and companies are calling you, right? From product based company, yeah. It's like that. This is an entire package. Okay, for experienced candidates in networking, people who are working in non-technical. Okay, just December 10th batch, it is same for them. But we did a lot of research and we created a very good internship for non-technical people. Listen, every non-technical people. Non-technical people means even if you work as a developer, software developer or SQL developer, whatever it is, networking is not related to you, right? You belongs to non-technical only. Make sense? Non-technical means not like a BPO. It's not like that. If you are not related to the networking, you're non-technical. Okay. So the thing is, for experience non-tech people, This is the things. CCNA, okay. JNCIA, definitely I will provide you certification for all experienced candidates, freshers, everyone. JNCIA, AWS, Linux for networking, and real time projects. That's it. You see, right, the difference. So non technical people ultimate goal is, first I want to move to technical. That's it. Okay, first I want to move to technical in with good package. Okay, then after gaining 6 months 8 months of experience, join Palo Alto CCNP. Understand, non technical people, are you here? So this is a uh, internship for non-tech people. So non-tech people, what are the courses will cover? CCNA, Juniper, AWS, Linux for networking, and real-time projects. Okay, these are the course will be completed. And here the communication skills are free. So generally,
Hi, sir.
yeah, hi.
Yeah, actually, I saw some Python in that your
That
JD.
is
So it
automation.
can,
That is network
yeah.
automation. The demo is completely different. I will schedule the network automation demo in next week. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that network automation is completely different. People who are having core networking skills, they are working in a core network environment, then only they will allow them to do automation. Because I was working as a network automation engineer only. You should know, right? What should do automate? All network engineer roles and responsibilities are going to automate. Okay, all networking roles, whatever you do, upgrades, iOS upgrades, and maintenance activity, everything, configuration pushes, everything, it is through automation. So I will discuss in automation next week. It will be, this is all about core internship, guys. So this is not a CCNA. One second, I'm sorry. This is a CCNA advanced, guys, not a CCNA. We change the keyword called CCNA advanced. Okay, you will not get normal CCNA, it is called CCNA advanced. Okay, yeah, yeah. So clear, right? For freshers, you
Ramesh,
can, yes,
హలో
yes.
ఐ నీడ్ వన్ ఒకసారి నాకు కోర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ ది ఫీ ఎంతో చెప్పగలరా? యాక్చువల్లీ ఏంటంటే బిఫోర్ 10 minutes బ్యాక్ పవర్ కట్ అయింది. సో ఐ లాస్ట్ ద
ఫీ ఫీ
ఇంటర్నెట్.
ఫీ డీటెయిల్స్ నేను ఇంతవరకు డిస్క్లోజ్ చేయలేదు, నాకు తెలియదు ఫీ డీటెయిల్స్.
ఓకే, ఓకే,
మా టీం చెప్తుంది మీకు.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు నేను కనుక్కొని చెప్తాను, నాకు కావాలి. నేను ఒకసారి, నాకు 5 minutes బ్రేక్ ఇస్తే వాళ్ళు డిజైన్ చేశారు, నేను చెప్తాను ఫీ డీటెయిల్స్.
షూర్, షూర్,
సో వాట్
షూర్.
ఐ కెన్ డూ ఈస్, లెట్ మీ టాక్ అబౌట్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్స్. ఫీ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం, ఒక 5 minutes బ్రేక్ తీసుకొని చేద్దాం, ఓకేనా? నేను కొంచెం వాటర్ డ్రింక్
షూర్,
చేసి.
షూర్, షూర్.
ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ అయితే అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోండి. ఫర్ ఫ్రెషర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్, దీస్ మెనీ కోర్సెస్ 2 months. For experienced candidates, it is called advanced core internship. Okay, it is called advanced core internship. So okay, this is called core internship, we used to call. Okay, సో నాన్ టెక్నికల్ పీపుల్కి కోర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ ఇస్తున్నాము. దీంట్లో CCNA అడ్వాన్స్, JNCIA, AWS, Linux and networking and real time projects, these many courses will be covered in non technical people. Okay, so earlier non technical people also supposed to pay same amount what exactly experienced candidates are paying. Now it is not necessary. So we identified one thing. So guys, now there is no limit. Even fresher also can take this experienced candidates package, doesn't matter. No one can stop you. You can take single course, you can take anything, and also we can give you customized course also based on your requirement. Suppose there are US students, I know what is happening in US. Okay, consultancies is providing JD, based on that they're looking for a skills. So based on that also I can provide you the customized courses. Okay, so but this is very important by default for all the people: freshers, experienced candidates in networking, experienced candidates in non-networking, non-technical.
So,
Okay, yeah,
sir, actually told you before, my friend was Akash, you know.
yeah, Akash, yeah.
Uh, sir, actually, I done my MBA, so I don't want to get into too much programming. And as soon as possible, within 1 month, I need a job, sir.
So
Like, I don't
here
want
there is no
to.
programming. Here there is no coding at all. Everything
Okay,
is implementation. Nothing. Have you seen any Python or Java? I hate coding, man. That's why I
yeah.
came into this. I was a ECE student, but when I joined in Amazon, they forcefully told me to learn Python. That's how I learned coding, little coding. Okay, and thanks to ChatGPT, the half of the job is done by ChatGPT. Okay, anyhow, so there is no coding here. Okay, there is no
Sir,
coding in it.
my requirement is within 1 or 2 months. I want to be placed somewhere. I
Yeah,
don't know. I
see,
mean, I
listen,
don't
ma.
need any.
Listen. I don't know what's your name. I know what's your name.
My name is Pawan Kumar.
Okay, Pawan Kumar. See, if you do what I say for 45 days, definitely you will be placed.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you, sir.
So where
Yeah,
are you
I
right
trust
now?
you, sir. I
Yeah,
trust you.
yeah. Where are you right now?
I live in Tukuda, sir, right nearby to airport.
Okay, so my request is you have to come office to every day so that my
Sure.
technical team will directly give you training on real devices, and you
Yes, sir,
perform very well.
definitely.
Within 20 days, like your friend, you will get a job. We have a
Yes, sir.
lot,
I was
man. Right now I have 53 plus openings, but I don't have candidates. My fantastic freshers, if we were scheduling interviews, they said, Anna, I will give you day after tomorrow, 1 week later. Companies will not wait for you, right?
give me
Yesterday,
one opportunity, sir. I will do
yeah,
it.
that's what I'm saying. Plenty of openings. Right now I have 53 plus openings. Yesterday, Samyukta IT Solutions Private Limited, it is there in Boinapalli. They are asking 14 profiles. Okay, so keep on they are asking, Vedang is a Reliance is the client. They are asking 2.8 LPA. They are asking profiles. Okay, we have a lot of openings currently. 53 plus openings currently right now. Yesterday count చేశా. నా ప్లేస్మెంట్స్ టీమ్ ఉంటుంది. లిస్ట్ ఇచ్చారు, ఇన్ని ఓపెనింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. డైలీ ఫిల్టర్ చేస్తూనే ఉన్నాం మేము. ఓకేనా? యా. సో guys, like Pawan Kumar, come to office, do work for 20 days, we'll send you to the client. Okay na? Is it clear?
Hello.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, ma, tell me, ma. Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt from my end, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So, sir, I have experience in software side like 5 years.
Okay. Okay.
I have done my work in Accenture,
Mm-hmm.
and then now I am currently in a government sector.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
You're a
but
government
I am
employee?
in networking side. Yes, sir.
Mm.
But I'm currently working in networking side, but not properly.
Okay, understood. So is it
Not
bank as a PO or what?
properly.
Are you working in a bank, ma?
No, sir. This is I want to talk to you in person, sir. It
Okay,
is a
man. Okay. We can
confidential
talk
thing.
one to one, ma. We can talk one to one. Yeah.
Huh.
Hello, Ramesh. I
Yes,
have
sir.
a question.
One second, ma.
Actually,
One
I
second. Let her
wanted
complete. Yeah, yeah. Chepandi. Yeah.
to talk. 1 minute. Huh. Sir, networking లో నాకు అంత ఐడియా లేదు, బట్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ సైడ్ నేను ప్రస్తుతం ఉన్నాను. అండ్ ఆల్సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐఎమ్ వర్కింగ్ రైట్ నౌ, ఇప్పుడు నేను గవర్నమెంట్ లో ఏదైతే వర్క్ చేస్తానో, ఇట్స్ లైక్
I lost you. It's like a everyone lost her. Hello.
ప్రాజెక్ట్ బేస్డ్
Yes, yes,
రోల్, సార్.
yes.
ఇట్స్
He
నాట్
is
లైక్
facing
పర్మనెంట్.
some
హలో,
network issue.
ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఉన్నంత వరకు ఐ విల్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ దట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, ma. I will talk to you one
హలో
to one. I will talk to you one
హలో
to
హలో,
one. Ma, your voice is not
am I
audible.
audible, sir?
You're not audible. Your voice is breaking
Sorry, sir.
intermittently.
Okay, sir.
Amma, after this
Okay,
session,
sir. One
after
thing is
this
that,
session, call me directly to my phone. We can talk one to one. Okay?
sir, the number, sir,
I will
number,
contact Vamshi immediately.
number.
Ma,
Okay, sir.
look at this, ma. Go to website. 1 second. See my website. Look at this, the number. Hello.
Sure, sir.
Okay,
Got
na?
it.
Got
I'll
it.
contact you after
Guys,
this.
don't call me directly. ఏదో చూపించానని. Okay, I cannot respond it. Okay, contact Vamshi first or technical team. Contact this team. These guys will help you. Okay. So if you want to contact Vamshi. Where is Vamshi number? Here. These guys can check my availability and they will engage with me. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay. So next question, please.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, actually, I'm based in Bangalore. Okay, currently
Okay.
my work location is Bangalore.
Okay.
I see you are emphasizing to come to office and learn
Mm,
real-time
mm, mm,
projects
mm,
and
mm, mm,
work
mm,
on labs.
mm.
So, I think it's not feasible for me. So, is there any
Yeah,
alternative thing?
generally, people who are learning from US or different countries also, here we are using tool called JNS3. Are you seeing my screen? This is the tool called JNS3. Are you
Okay.
guys seeing? So whatever the operating system we use in real devices, right? That operating system we are copying here and learning it. You see, right? These are the real routers and switches, whatever the operating system we use there, we use it. See, look at this. This is it. Okay, if you turn on this router, it's a real router. Okay, it is,
Like a tester.
yeah, same whatever you see, right? Same whatever you get a hands-on experience on the real devices, same operating system you're doing here. So thing is, you will learn practically, ma, don't worry. And also the real
Okay.
devices, right? The real
Uh-huh.
devices hardware training I'm giving you by showing video, so you cannot feel like I'm learning remotely. You will feel like I'm learning in front of the device. Okay, you got it, ma, what I'm saying?
Yeah,
I
I got it. And also, there's one more question to you.
Okay.
I have an experience for about almost 4.5 months in networking, and I'm working in currently HCL.
Mm-hmm.
So, I have this idea regarding the routing switching because we will perform the individual testing, work on latency and throughput issues.
Mm.
So, are you suggesting me to go to the core technical
Yes, ma.
intensity?
Yes, whatever you do testing, right, that is not valuable outside. You have to learn core technologies implementation side. So there is two things. Go on mute, I'll tell you.
Yeah, yeah.
Design and implementation. For designing part, there are 20% of work it is there. Every company will hire you to troubleshoot the networking issues. It is already established. They will hire to troubleshoot complex issues. This will be 70 to 80%. Remaining 20% should be designing and implementation. You have to be should be front end, not the protocol testing like interface bandwidth testing, latency testing that cannot added value to your resume. So here I will teach you core technical skills. You have to remove all your existing skills, and you need to whatever you practice here, right, you have to mention that. Then only it will be valuable, then only you will get a good calls from product based company. Is it clear?
Yeah,
Like,
thank you.
yeah.
And also, I'm also interested in the cyber security.
That is
So,
not right now. That is not right now. Complete the
okay.
core internship, have an experience at least 2 years in core networking, and then later learn a tools called SOC analysis or penetration thing. Other things you can move it. Okay, clear?
Sir, can you hear me?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, yeah,
Sir, hello.
I have a doubt.
yeah. Please go ahead.
Good
Actually,
afternoon, sir.
in the coming years, can we sustain this industry without knowing coding?
Without coding, yeah, that's what,
I,
man. Why coding is required? Just tell me. Why coding is
I
required?
don't know. That's why
Yeah,
you have plenty
yeah,
of experience in that.
yeah. Generally, why coding is required? Coding is required to automate the things. Just right? Automation. Right? Currently, I'm doing coding in Python, Ansible, to automate all network engineer roles and responsibilities in cloud platforms. Like cloud is AWS, Oracle, Google, right? And what are the Microsoft and big finance companies? They're using automation. They're making everything automate because they have a huge budget to implement automation. Small companies like enterprise companies, they can spend that much of amount, right? They will depends on manual process only. Not only manual, even it is automate is next thing is infrastructure as a code. Definitely, after having minimum 10 years of experience, everyone should learn Python. Okay, such a good question. But if you want to move into the automation, you can learn a Python and move to automation. Otherwise, if you want to stay in this technical stuff, stay here itself. Okay, if you don't like coding, okay, how many people know coding, man? Let me tell you one thing. Go on mute, I'll tell you one important thing. Go on mute. Okay, guys, everyone listen to me. Go on mute. I'm getting bad background noise. Okay. So earlier, what will happen, those software engineers they know only coding stuff, like how to code in Python, Java, like that. They don't know the concepts. They will learn the concepts based on the client requirement. They will do code. They will do code and they will develop the applications and all. Okay. Now coming to the networking domain, whatever I'm calling automation, right? Earlier, there are the software engineers. They used to do automation stuff. But whoever know the coding, they have to understand these concepts, right? That is taking a lot of time. అందరికి అర్థమవుతుందా? కోడింగ్ వచ్చి ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ నేర్చుకోవడానికి వాళ్ళకి చాలా టైం పడుతుంది. బట్ హూ ఎవర్ నో ఆల్రెడీ కాన్సెప్ట్స్, those guys can learn coding easily. And understand what I'm saying is, the coder is taking much time to learn the concept. The conceptual person is taking less time to learn the coding. So that's why the market is forcing to the conceptual people, network engineers. Hey guys, you are the network engineers, you know the concept very well, you know what to do automation, what not to do. So you do learn the coding, you learn Python and do automation, we will increase your package. That's what is going currently. That's what all network engineers are transitioning to network automation engineer by learning Python. Understand? You guys are understand? Yeah. To answer your question, we can sustain. Always we can sustain, because AI cannot replace the network engineer roles, right? Yeah. So they need us, so we can sustain. But if you want to grow, definitely you should learn Python only. No need to learn fancy SQL, DBMS, and Java, .NET like that. Learn Python. That's very simple. Print hello world. That's it. It will print it. Okay. Yeah. Any
Hi,
questions?
Ramesh.
Yeah. Hi.
Oh,
Yeah,
hello.
this is Ramakrishna. I'm from
Ramakrishణ,
Visakhapatnam.
చెప్పండి రామకృష్ణ.
Yeah, yeah. నేను కంప్లీట్గా నాదొక డిఫరెంట్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్. నేను ఇదివరకు బీపీఓ సెక్టార్ సైడ్ వర్క్ చేసేవాడిని.
ఓకే.
సో లేటర్ ఆన్ నాకు ఇక్కడ వైజాగ్లోనే ఆపర్చునిటీ వచ్చింది ఐటీ సపోర్ట్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటివ్గా.
ఓకే.
సో కరెంట్లీ నేను ఇక్కడ 2.5 years నుంచి ఇక్కడ సర్వ్ చేస్తున్నాను. బట్ హియర్ ఏంటంటే మా యొక్క ప్లాట్ఫామ్ వచ్చేసి కంప్లీట్గా కొంతవరకు మాత్రమే నెట్వర్కింగ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్లో ఉంటుంది. సో మిగతా అంతా కూడా మేము జస్ట్ రిమోట్ అసిస్టెన్స్ మాత్రమే ఇస్తాము.
యా యా యా
లైక్ వి వర్కింగ్ ఆన్ కెమెరాస్ ట్రబుల్ షూటింగ్ ఇట్ సెల్ఫ్. సో
అండర్స్టాండ్.
యా నేను కంప్లీట్ గా నెట్వర్కింగ్ లో స్విచ్ అవ్వాలి. సో
టేక్
మీరు
ఏ
ఎలా
కోర్
సజెస్ట్
ఇంటర్న్షిప్.
చేస్తారు దీన్ని?
టేక్ ఏ కోర్
యా
ఇంటర్న్షిప్. అందరికి చెప్తున్నా, ఎవ్రీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పీపుల్ ఇన్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ అట్లీస్ట్ 10% ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ నెట్వర్క్ ఉన్న స్కిల్స్, ప్లీజ్ టేక్ ఏ నెట్వర్కింగ్ కోర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్. If you work in a
ఓకే
different, whatever it is, if you know at least 10% of the knowledge in networking, please take a networking core internship, which I have already told you. People who don't know anything in networking, even they have an experience as a BPO or different department, take a experienced people, non-tech, right? That core internship you can take it. You understand? Core internships are two types: for experienced people in networking, experienced people in non-networking, non-technical. If you are even doesn't know what is IP address, what is networking keyword, take a non-technical core internship. Okay. Here the only difference is CCNP and Palo Alto will not be there. Understand?
హాయ్ అండి.
Hi.
నేను వెబ్ లాజిక్ సర్వర్గా వర్క్ చేశాను ఒక 10 months.
Okay.
లైనెక్స్ అంటూ
Okay.
ఉంటుంది, ఐ మీన్ మొబైల్ స్ట్రీమ్లో.
Okay.
లైక్ నన్ను కూడా కోర్ దాంట్లో తీసుకుంటారా, కోర్ అడ్వాన్స్లోని
Yeah,
CCNA
yeah, yeah.
అడ్వాన్స్.
Core lo తీసుకోండి. Linux is part of this only. Core తీసుకోండి. It will be good for you. Yeah.
ఓకే, నాకు 10 months ఉంది, అది కూడా 2 years
ఏం
బ్యాక్ ఉంది.
కాదు.
2 years
2
తర్వాత
years
బిజినెస్
బ్యాకా?
చేశారు.
ఓ 2 years బ్యాకా? ఓకే.
ఇంకా 2 years మధ్యలో గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది మళ్ళీ.
1 year దాటలేదా మీది?
లేదండి, 2 years
Okay.
అయిపోయింది.
You can take only CCNA advanced and JNCIA then. Okay. Yeah.
ఓకే
Minimum 1 year ఉండి రీసెంట్గా ఉంటే you can take core. Yeah.
ఓకే.
ఓకేనా? Yeah.
హాయ్ సార్.
హాయ్ మా. హాయ్ మా.
సార్ నేను ఎంటిటీ డేటాలో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను
ఓకే.
కరెంట్లీ.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఈ మార్చ్ వస్తే 3 years కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది. లైక్ నేను టోటల్ గా నా ఫస్ట్ 1 year ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అండ్ ఇక్కడ 2 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ టోటల్ నాకులోనే ఉంది. అంటే ఇప్పుడు
ఓకే.
లైక్ మానిటరింగ్ చేయడం
అర్థమైంది,
అది.
అర్థమైంది. సో
సో
మీరు
ఇప్పుడు నేను మంచి వెళ్ళాలి ముందరికి వెళ్ళాలి అనుకుంటున్నాను.
కోర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ మా, కోర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ తీసుకోండి. మీరు నాకు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అస్సలు పెట్టకూడదు మీరు రెజ్యూమ్లో.
ఓకే.
ఓకే. ఇక్కడ నేను
ఓకే.
ఇచ్చిన లైవ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో, లైవ్ థింగ్స్, అవి మీ సీనియర్స్ ఎలా చేశారు, నాక్ ఎన్వైర్న్మెంట్లో మీ క్లయింట్ ఎవరు, వాట్ యు ఆర్ మానిటరింగ్, వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్, రైట్? అదంతా నేను చూపిస్తాను. కోర్ కాంప్లెక్స్ ఎన్వైర్న్మెంట్లో మీరు వర్క్ చేస్తారు. సో ఇవన్నీ CCNA అడ్వాన్స్, CCNP.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను ఆ 3 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎందుకు పనికిరాదా సార్? అంటే ఇప్పుడు
ఎవరు చెప్పారమ్మా పనికొస్తుంది? అదే కదా నువ్వు పెట్టేది. ఇప్పుడు
బట్ నేను లైక్ వేరే రియల్ టైమ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ చేసినట్టు రెజ్యూమ్ చేంజ్ చేయాలి.
వేరే చేసినట్టు కాదు, నువ్వు చేస్తావు, చేసినట్టువే పెట్టాలి. ఇక్కడ నువ్వు నేర్చుకుంటావు. ఇప్పుడు మీరు నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్ గా నేర్చుకున్నారు కదా, అడ్వాన్స్ గా మీ సీనియర్స్ ఏదైతే జాబ్ చేస్తున్నారో ప్రోటోకాల్స్ అవన్నీ కాన్ఫిగర్ చేస్తారు కదా. ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఆపర్చునిటీ లేదు, కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసే ఆపర్చునిటీ ఉందా?
లేదు. యాక్చువల్ గా నేను చూడొచ్చు, ఆ చేంజ్ యాక్టివిటీస్
రీడ్
అవి ఇవి
యాక్టివిటీ
అన్నిట్లోనూ
రీడ్ యాక్టివిటీ
పార్టిసిపేట్.
రీడ్
రీడ్
యాక్టివిటీ
ఓన్లీ
అంటే
యాక్సెస్ కొన్నిటి వరకే ఉందన్నమాట.
అదే అమ్మా
ఆ!
నాకు తెలుసు. రీడ్ ఓన్లీ యాక్సెసే ఉంటుంది. చేంజ్ చేయడానికి
హ్మ్.
ఉండదు. అట్ ది సేమ్ టైం
ఆ!
ఏమైనా ఉంటే ఎంఓపీస్, ఎస్ఓపీస్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ చూడొచ్చు.
అవును. ఆ డాక్యుమెంట్స్ చూడాలి. దాంట్లో మేము వర్క్ జేయాలి. అదే.
అంతే.
అంతే.
అంతే. ఇక్కడ దానికి
హ్మ్.
మించి మొత్తం నేర్పిస్తాడు. లైవ్ డివైజెస్ ఉంటాయి. నువ్వు అన్ని
హ్మ్.
కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ చేస్తావు. మీ ఆర్గనైజేషన్‌లో ఏ డివైజెస్ ఉంటే ఆ డివైజెస్‌లోనే మీరు ఏమేమి కాన్ఫిగర్ చేశారో అవన్నీ నేను చూపిస్తా. అవే
హ్మ్.
మీ సీనియర్ లెవెల్‌లో నువ్వు వర్క్ చేసినట్టు చెప్పుకొని ఎళ్ళొచ్చు అంతే. చెప్పుకొని అంటే
ఓకే.
నువ్వు చేస్తావు. చేసి నేర్చుకొని అవి మెన్షన్ చేసి
సరే.
ఎళ్తావు.
సరే. యాహ్!
దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్
యాహ్!
ఎన్హాన్సింగ్ యువర్ స్కిల్స్ అండ్ టెల్లింగ్ టు ద ఇంటర్వ్యూవర్. అర్థమైందా?
సో, సో లైక్ నేను నెక్స్ట్ ఎలాంటి జాబ్ మేబీ రోల్స్ నేను వెతుకోవచ్చు? లైక్ నెట్వర్క్ అనలిస్టా? లైక్ ఎలాంటి అది
ఎలాంటిదైనా
ఏమన్నా?
అంతా ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ కమ్ అండర్ సేమ్ ట్రీ. యూ కెన్ గో టు యాజ్ ఎ
ఓకే.
ట్యాక్ ఇంజనీర్. నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశా కదా
ఓకే.
రోల్స్ అన్ని ఇందాక.
యాహ్! 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 యాహ్!
అందులో
యాహ్!
ఏదైనా వెళ్ళొచ్చు. అల్టిమేట్లీ
ఓకే.
సీనియర్ నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్ వెళ్తారు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
ఓకేనా? యాహ్!
ఓకే. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Sir, when it comes
సార్
to
నా పేరు
salary package, does any education background affects on, like I did MBA? Do I have any chances to get a high salary?
No, see, even if you do what is that? PhD, okay? If you don't have skill
Okay.
set, you will not get it. Even if you do degree in history economics, right? My student
Mm-hmm.
who has done degree in the history economics, he got a 3.8 LPA in here in
Okay.
Gachibowli. Okay, skill
As a
does
fresher.
matter. As a fresher, skill does matter.
Okay.
See, guys, you have
Okay.
done good project, right, in your BTech. Where are your binding books? Where are your books? Where is your books? Project books? Tell me. You cannot use that.
Gone.
Yeah, you cannot use that as a, I cannot mention that keyword, but it is completely wasting time, right? You did a project, right, in your BTech or MTech. Where exactly it is using now? You did a lot of hard work to, to binding those books and preparing, parallelogram, lot of stuff, right? Nothing is, using now, right? So remember, guys, degree graduation is just an entry ticket for job. That's it. It's just an entry ticket. However, whatever you learn, right, in your BTech, you will learn problem solving skills in your education, like how to speak. Like if you give a paper presentation, you will learn like how confidently you can speak. Like when you're learning BTech subjects, whatever the subjects you have, you will learn by your own. Do you really tell me how much percentage your lectures are covering in your BTech? 10% or 20%? That's it. Remaining 80% you learn by your own by using spectrums. Yes or no? By using guides, textbooks, you learn by your own, right? So 80% you are learning by your own. Only 20% only the lecturers are teaching. Okay. So you will learn in BTech only problem solving skills. That's it. Is it clear? So skill does matter here. Okay.
సార్ నా పేరు అరవింద్.
చెప్పండి అరవింద్. యా
సార్ నేను ఇప్పుడు ఢిల్లీలో ఉంటున్నాను. ఢిల్లీ ఎబెక్స్, మా కంపెనీ వచ్చేసి ఎబెక్స్ అన్నమాట.
ఓకే.
క్లయింట్ వచ్చేసి పంజాబ్ నేషనల్ బ్యాంకు.
ఓకే.
నేను ఇప్పుడు L1 నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్ గా జాబ్, అంటే నేను 2023 పాస్డ్ అవుట్. నాకు 3 months ఎగోనే జాబ్ వచ్చింది అనమాట L1 నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్ గా.
ఓకే.
డైరెక్ట్లీ చెప్పాలంటే అంటే నాకు కొంచెం ఐడియా ఉంది కానీ మొత్తం ఫ్లూయెంట్ గా ఐడియా లేదు. నేను ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు కూడా నేను చాట్ జీపీటీ త్రూ అలా ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యి ఇచ్చిన.
ఓకే. ఓకే. ఓకే.
ఆ తర్వాత నాకు జాబ్ వచ్చింది. ప్రెసెంట్ అంటే నాకు 3 months అయిన జాబ్ వచ్చి నేను ఇక్కడ నాకు వర్క్ ఏం లేదు. ఏమన్నా సిస్టమ్, ఐ మీన్ నెట్ రాకపోతే, ఇంకా నెట్ అసైన్
అర్థమైంది.
కాకపోతే.
అర్థమైంది. అడ్మిన్ రోల్ సింపుల్గా. సో నువ్వు ఫ్రెషర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ తీసుకో. ఓకే. ఎలాగోలాగా ఒక ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ లెటర్స్ జనరేట్ చేసేటట్టు ఉండు. ఒక 7 months అట్లా వర్క్ చేయి. యూ కెన్ మూవ్ టు అదర్ కంపెనీస్, విల్ రెఫర్ యూ. ఓకేనా? సో
ప్రెషర్ తీసుకో అంటే నేను ఆల్రెడీ 1 year 2 years బ్యాక్ జూమ్ టెక్నాలజీస్ లో తీసుకున్నాను అనమాట.
ఏంటి తీసుకున్నావు?
CCNA తీసుకున్నాను.
జూమ్ టెక్నాలజీస్ లో ఏం నేర్పిస్తారో తెలుసా? పీపీటీస్.
అవును అవును
నేను
అవును
కూడా
Bro,
2018
me also same Zoom CCNA already
భయ్యా,
taken.
నేను కూడా
Yeah,
జూమేనయ్యా.
waste of time for me
2013లో
also.
2013లో నేను కూడా జూమ్ లో జాయిన్ అయ్యా. 7,000 కట్టి CCNA, మైక్రోసాఫ్ట్, ఎలైనెక్స్ అన్ని కట్టి.
MCNP.
Yes, yes, yes. The thing is, I don't want to comment on anyone. Okay,
ఓకే.
this is purely networking company. అసలు మీరు చూస్తే
సార్ థియరీ ఓకే సార్, ప్రాక్టికల్ నాలెడ్జ్ అనేది అక్కడ డ్రాప్ అయింది, మిస్ అయిపోయింది.
whatever you learn here, read, that is CCIE level. ఓకే, ఒక్క 2-3 క్లాసులు మన యూట్యూబ్లో చూడండి. వాట్ యూ విల్ కమ్ టు నో. ఓకే, సో బేసిక్స్ ఓన్లీ. యూనో బయట డిఎన్ఎస్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఇట్ విల్ రిజాల్వ్ IP అడ్రస్ టు డొమైన్ నేమ్, డొమైన్ నేమ్ టు IP అడ్రస్ అంటారు. You really don't know what is happening at the back end of the DNS. Okay, so yeah, so you will learn it. You will come to know. You will come to know. Okay, what is what
హలో
actually. Yeah,
సార్,
yeah, yeah.
నాకు ప్రెజెంట్ అయితే సబ్నెటింగ్స్ చేయడం అంటే క్లాసెస్ ఏషియన్ మోడల్స్ అంటే సమ్ అంటే లిటిల్ బిట్ వచ్చు. బట్ నాకు ఇప్పుడు ఏ కోర్స్ అయితే సూటబుల్ అవుతుంది ఇందులో?
సి మీకు స్కిల్స్ ఏమొచ్చినా సరే నేను చెప్పే స్కిల్స్ టాప్ నాచ్. నేను ఇక్కడ సజెస్ట్ చేసే కోర్సు ఒకటి, మీరు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేటా? ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్ ఇన్ నెట్వర్కింగ్, టేక్ కోర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్. ఇఫ్ యూర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్ ఇన్ నాన్ టెక్నికల్, take non-technical. If you are a 3 months, you have not yet completed 1 year, take a fresher internship only. Clear? Simple.
ఓకే
To everyone, అందరికి ఒకటే చెప్తున్నా. If you guys are freshers or if you guys are below 1 year experience, please take fresher internship. You are going to complete 1 year your working environment. You are going to complete 1 year in next 2 months. Take core internship in networking. If even if you have experience in any domain that is non-technical, not related to the networking, take a non-technical core internship. Clear? These three internships designed and dedicatedly for you. Is it
ఓకే
clear? Yeah.
ఓకే సార్, నేను ఇప్పుడు ఢిల్లీలో ఉన్నా కదా, రియల్ టైం అంటే మీరు
రియల్ టైమ్
ల్యాబ్స్
సి ల్యాబ్ సెటప్ GNS3 యూస్ చేస్తాం మనం. మీరన్నా
ఓకే
ఢిల్లీలో ఉంటున్నారు భయ, ఇండియాలో, యూఎస్లో, ఆస్ట్రేలియాలో ఉండి జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారు చాలా మంది మన స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, సో
ఓకే
హియర్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ GNS3.
నేను
GNS3 is a advanced tool. Okay, yeah.
లైక్ ప్యాకెట్ అంటే
సార్ ఇది
అడ్వాన్స్. హలో
ప్యాకెట్
సార్,
ట్రేసర్ అనేది స్టూడెంట్ వర్షన్ భయ. మనం ఏమైనా ఇక్కడ ప్యాకెట్ ట్రేసర్ యూస్ చేయము. పిల్లలు యూస్ చేస్తారు, అవి కాదు మనం వాడేది. వీఆర్
ఓకే
యూజింగ్ advanced level. GNS3 is very advanced. You will see the packet capture stuff in GNS3. Are you seeing my screen?
ఎస్ సార్.
సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి, రైట్ క్లిక్ కొట్టి ఇక్కడ ప్యాకెట్ క్యాప్చర్ చేయొచ్చు ఇట్లా. సో యూ సీ హౌ what data is flowing here. So it will load the packet capture. It will show you what data it is loading between the devices. Is it clear? See
Yes,
now.
sir.
See now, I am trying to ping something. See, some data is going here, right? Yes or no? Are you able to
Yeah.
see? This
Yes,
kind
sir.
of packet level analysis you will do with GNS3. Okay, so
Okay.
everything will teach you practically. Yeah.
సార్ ఇంకో డౌట్.
సార్ ఇది కోర్
నేను
ఇంటర్న్షిప్ లో
3 మంత్స్ అయింది కదా నేను జాయిన్ అయ్యేసి,
అవును.
నేను కోర్స్ తీసుకుంటే ఇప్పుడు 2 మంత్స్ ఈ కోర్సు.
Mm.
ఓకే, 2 మంత్స్ తర్వాత నుంచి నేను ట్రై చేయొచ్చు జాబ్స్?
యా ట్రై చేయొచ్చు. ఏమంటే
కంపెనీ ఉండాలి, ఆ తర్వాత నేను స్విచ్
అంటే
అవ్వాలి
నేను నేను సజెస్ట్ చేసేది ఏంటంటే మినిమం 8 మంత్స్ చేయబోయా. స్టెబిలిటీ చూస్తారు కంపెనీలో. ఓకేనా? మినిమం
ఓకే
6 to 8 మంత్స్ చేయి, ఆ తర్వాత నుంచి ట్రై చేయి. ఓకేనా? 6 మంత్స్ తర్వాత నుంచి ట్రై చేస్తూ ఉండు. ఇట్స్ గుడ్.
సార్ కోర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ డ్యూరేషన్ వచ్చేసి 4 months 2 months?
నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ 4 months అండి. ఓకే, ఎర్లియర్ ఇట్
ఓకే,
అంటే
4 months
అంటే మీకు
దాంట్లో
4 months వరకు వెయిట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. CCNA రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్ 45 daysలో అయిపోతాయి. అప్పటి నుంచి నేను ట్రై చేపిస్తా. మిగతావన్నీ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్లో నేర్చుకుంటూనే ఉంటారు. నేర్చుకుంది యాడ్ చేస్తూనే ఉంటాం. ఏ రోజు ఏదైతే కొత్త
ఓకే,
టాపిక్ నేర్చుకున్నారో అది యాడ్ చేస్తుంటాం. యా.
కోర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ లో JNCA లేదు కదా సార్? అంటే
ఉంది,
ఎలా
ఉంది.
అంటే మేము
JNCA
నేర్చుకో
ఉంది. JNCA ఉంది. యాడ్ చేయలేదా
లేదు
ఇంకా?
సార్.
ఓ
మీరు
సారీ,
యాడ్ చేయలేదు, సో అందుకనే.
సారీ. JNCA ఉంది. షూర్.
ఓకే, సో సార్ ఇది నాకు వచ్చేసి 3.5 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంది యాజ్ ఎ డెస్క్టాప్ సపోర్ట్ ఇంజనీర్ ఆర్ సిస్టమ్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్. సో అంటే కరెంట్ ప్యాకేజ్ వచ్చేసి 4.5 lakhs.
ఓకే,
బట్ నాది డిప్లొమా అంటే గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ కాదు, డిప్లొమానే.
నో ప్రాబ్లం. డిప్లొమా, నో ప్రాబ్లం. డిప్లొమా కెన్ యాక్సెప్టెడ్. మై మేనేజర్ డిప్లొమానే కరెంట్ ఆయనకి 1.5 crore.
అదే డిప్లొమా తర్వాత కొంచెం కెరీర్ గ్యాప్ ఉంది, దాని తర్వాత ఈ ఫీల్డ్ లోకి వచ్చాను.
నో ప్రాబ్లం.
సో అంటే దాని తర్వాత మనం వచ్చే జాబ్స్ కూడా కొంచెం 4.5 దాటే ఉంటాయా, లేదంటే మళ్ళీ తగ్గుతాయి?
మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నాను, ప్యాకేజ్ అనేవి మీ స్కిల్స్ని బట్టి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ డిప్లొమాకి ఏ ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. డిప్లొమా కెన్ టేక్ కేర్. చెప్తున్నా కదా, నేను జునిపర్లో వర్క్ చేసేటప్పుడు మై మేనేజర్ వాజ్ ఎ డిప్లొమా క్యాండిడేట్. హీ వాజ్ ఎర్నింగ్ 1.5 crore per year. ఓకే, సో ద థింగ్ ఈస్ my students, lot of students are diploma candidates. People are working in TCS and other companies nowadays. కొన్ని కంపెనీస్ డిప్లొమా క్యాండిడేట్స్ ని అట్లా చెప్తున్నారు, కానీ అట్లా ఏం లేదు. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ దట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ఫ్రెషర్. ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ కి ఏది లేదు. యు ఆల్రెడీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్, రైట్? యా.
ఓకే సార్, మీరు డిప్లొమా వాళ్ళని కూడా రిఫర్ చేస్తారు కదా, అంటే మీ కంపెనీస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు?
డిప్లొమా వాళ్ళని అట్లా ఉండదు భయ. స్కిల్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళని రిఫర్ చేస్తారు.
అదే
డిప్లొమా
స్కిల్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళని.
యా, యా.
సార్ లైక్ వైర్లెస్ అండ్ డీనాక్ ఏమైనా ఇంక్లూడ్ అవుతుందా మీ కోర్స్ లో?
వైర్లెస్ అరుబా వైర్లెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేయబోతున్నాం. నాట్ రైట్ నౌ అమ్మా. విల్ స్టార్ట్ ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్
టూల్స్ లో లైక్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఈ కోర్ దాంట్లో డీనాక్ ఏమైనా ఇంక్లూడ్
లేదు మా
చేస్తున్నామో?
డీనాక్ లేదు. వి ఆర్ నాట్ ఇన్వాల్వింగ్ డీనాక్. యా.
వైర్లెస్ పార్ట్ ఏం లేదా, ఓన్లీ
Ma. So
స్విచ్చింగ్ అండ్
those are edgy technologies, ma. I'm concentrating on core. Edgy technologies doesn't have much packages. That is edge. Or wireless controllers, wireless access points are connecting to where? Switch. Switch is a last access switch.
ఓకే దట్
Yeah.
ఐ యాక్సెప్ట్, బట్
Yeah.
జస్ట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు
Yeah,
కన్ఫర్మ్.
no ma. Yeah, I understand. No ma. Currently not.
లైక్ ఇస్
But
దేర్ ఎనీ కోర్స్, లైక్ మీ దగ్గర ఏమైనా కోర్స్ ఉందా విచ్ ఇంక్లూడ్స్ ఆల్ రౌటింగ్, స్విచ్చింగ్ అండ్ వైర్లెస్ డినెక్?
this is wireless DNAC. We don't have it. Switching, routing, security, we have it.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే
Only wireless DNAC is not there. Okay. We want to dedicatedly launch a new course called Aruba Wireless. That is soon in January end. Okay. Yeah.
ఓకే.
Yeah. So wireless, basic wireless we will teach. It's a part of CCNA, right? It's a part of CCNA syllabus. Basic wireless we will teach. Like what is the bands we have internally, wireless bands, the basic wireless stuff we will teach. Yeah. Yeah.
హలో నా సెమ్ సుష్మా.
Sushma చెప్పండి మా.
అన్న నేను స్టార్టింగ్ లో అంటే నాది లైక్ మెడికల్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ అన్న డిగ్రీ వరకు, కానీ నేను కరోనా టైంలో ఇన్ఫోసిస్ లో జాబ్ వచ్చింది.
ఓకే.
సో అప్పుడు మాకు నెట్వర్క్ మీద ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చారు, కానీ తర్వాత 2.5 years బెంచ్ లోనే పెట్టారు.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
ఆ తర్వాత మమ్మల్ని మైసూర్ పంపించారు. అక్కడ మాకు CCNA ట్రైనింగ్ ఇచ్చారు.
ఓకే.
అప్పుడు కంప్లీట్ గా GNS3 లోనే నేర్పించారనమాట. లైక్ BGP, OSPF, DNS, DHCP ఇట్లా ప్రోటోకాల్స్ అన్ని. సో అప్పుడు నాకు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వచ్చిందన్న బాగా.
ఓకే.
సో అప్పుడు మేమే ఇంకా ప్రాజెక్ట్ సెట్ చేసుకొని ఇంకా మేమే రిలోకేట్ అయ్యి ప్రాజెక్ట్ తీసుకున్నాను నేను SD-WAN లో. ఇప్పుడు SD-WAN లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను అన్న
Very good.
1.5 years నుంచి.
Very good. Okay. Okay.
సో నేను ఇప్పుడు స్విచ్ అవుదాం అనుకుంటున్నాను అన్న. అండ్ నేను ఎలా కోరుకుంటున్నానంటే లైక్ నేను ఆఫ్లైన్ లో ట్రైనింగ్ అంటే లైక్ క్లాసెస్ ఆఫ్లైన్ లో ఉంటే నేను అటెండ్ అవడానికి ఎక్కువ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ చూపిస్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే ఆన్లైన్ లో కన్నా ఆఫ్లైన్ లో అయితే ఎక్కువ నేర్చుకుంటాను అనేది నా థాట్.
ఓకే. ఎవరి థాట్లు వాళ్ళకు ఉంటాయి. నేను చెప్తాను చూడండి క్లియర్గా. ఇక్కడ నేను మాత్రం క్లాసెస్ ఆన్లైన్లోనే చెప్పేది. ఇక్కడ మీకు 2 టైమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఒకటి ఆన్లైన్, ఒకటి ఆఫ్లైన్. క్లాసెస్ అందరు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేసేది నా నుంచే కదా. ఆఫ్లైన్ కావాలనుకుంటే అందరికెళ్ళి నేను వైజాగ్లో బ్రాంచ్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నాం, బెంగళూరులో ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నాం. 4 బ్రాంచుల్లోకి నేను ఒక కాల్ అక్కడ పెట్టి నేను చెప్పలేను కదా ఆఫ్లైన్లో అందరికీ నేను
అన్న నేను చెప్పేది కొంచెం వినండి.
నేను చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే అమ్మా, జనరల్గా స్టూడెంట్స్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటంటే నా నుంచే క్లాసెస్ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ఐ హ్యావింగ్ గుడ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, గుడ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ యూనో. సో ఒకవేళ ఆఫ్లైన్లో కావాలి, నేను బయట కూడా టెస్ట్ చేశా, వేరే వాళ్ళని తీసుకొచ్చి ఆఫ్లైన్లో ప్రొవైడ్ చేద్దామని, కానీ పీపుల్ ఆర్ నాట్ యాక్సెప్టింగ్ మీ. సో అందుకే ఇక్కడ మాత్రం ప్రజెంట్ నేను ఆన్లైన్లో మాత్రమే టీచ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఆన్లైన్లో టీచ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆన్లైన్లోనే లైవ్లో నేను ఉంటాను. నేను మీకు డౌట్స్ క్లియర్ అయ్యేంత వరకు నేను ఉండి క్లారిఫై చేస్తాను. అయిన తర్వాత మీరు ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళాలి. అక్కడ మా టెక్నికల్ టీం ఉంది. సీనియర్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ 8 years నుంచి 7 years నుంచి ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్స్ ఉన్నారు. మేము ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తున్నాం. సో అక్కడ మీకు లైవ్లో డివైజెస్ మీద మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి ఆఫ్లైన్లో క్లాస్ చెప్తారు. అక్కడ మీకు ఇంకా డౌట్ ఉంటే, అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంటి, మీకు ఆన్లైన్లో నేను క్లారిటీ ఇస్తున్నాను, ఆఫ్లైన్లో మా ఇంజనీర్స్ కూడా మీకు సేమ్ క్లారిటీ ఇస్తున్నారు. ఓకే. ఆఫ్లైన్లో ఏంటంటే టోపాలజీ ఇచ్చేసి డివైజెస్ మీద మీరు ల్యాబ్ చేయండి, ప్యాకెట్ క్యాప్చర్ చేయించి మీరు వెరిఫికేషన్ చేయించి పంపిస్తారు. మీరు డే అంతా ఉండి నేర్చుకోవచ్చు, లేకపోతే వీకెండ్స్లో మీకు వర్కింగ్ ఎంప్లాయీస్ అంతా వీక్ డేస్లో రాలేరు కదా, కాబట్టి వీకెండ్స్లో వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకి డే అంతా కూర్చొని సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారు. ఐ హ్యావ్ టోటల్ 12 నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్స్ విత్ మీ. హైదరాబాద్ బ్రాంచ్లో 4 members ఉన్నారు, రిమైనింగ్ బ్యాచెస్లో 3 members ఉన్నారు కరెంట్గా. ఓకేనా. యా. సో దిస్ ఇస్
ఓకే
వాట్
అన్న,
ఐమ్
అయితే
టెలింగ్
నేను
మా.
కూడా అడుగుదాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. అదే అన్న, ఇదే అడుగుదాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. మేము ఆఫ్లైన్ లో కూడా వెళ్ళి చూడొచ్చా
యా,
అనేది అడుగుదాం.
చూడొచ్చు. దట్స్ వాట్ రైట్. ఇప్పుడు నేను అదే చెప్తున్నాను అందరికీ, మీరు రావాలి కంపల్సరిగా. ఇంకా వస్తే ఇంకా సంతోషం. ఇంకా నేను డెడికేటెడ్ పర్సన్స్ని అలొకేట్ చేస్తాను. మా నెట్వర్క్ ఇంజనీర్స్ ఉంటారు కదమ్మా, డెడికేటెడ్ పర్సన్స్ని అలొకేట్ చేసి మీకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు. యా, యూఆర్ సీయింగ్ ద వీడియోస్ రైట్ ఇన్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ఆర్ సమ్వేర్. యా, దట్స్ వాట్.
అవునన్నా,
యా,
నాకు
ఆఫ్లైన్లో
చూసి నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను
యా యా యా
కొంచెం కొంచెం.
ఖచ్చితంగా అమ్మా.
అన్న మీరు
చెప్పండి.
మీరు అన్నారు కదా బెంగళూరులో కూడా ఆఫీస్ ఓపెన్
ఎస్,
చేస్తున్నానని, ఎప్పుడు
చేస్తున్నామమ్మా.
ఓపెన్ చేస్తున్నారన్నా?
జనవరిలో అమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు యాక్చువల్గా వైజాగ్లో ఇంకో 1 weekలో గుడ్ న్యూస్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ తర్వాత జనవరి ఫస్ట్ వీక్ అంతా బెంగళూరు చూస్తున్నాం. ఓకే. ఈ 4 లొకేషన్స్లో బెంగళూరులో ఎందుకనంటే మా క్లయింట్స్ ఎక్కువ, మొత్తం నెట్వర్కింగ్ కంపెనీస్ అంతా ఉండేది బెంగళూరులోనే, అండ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ బేస్డ్ కంపెనీస్ అంతా ఉండేది బెంగళూరులోనే, క్లయింట్స్ నాకు ఎక్కువ ఉండేది బెంగళూరులోనే. వాళ్ళు అడిగేది నాకు బెంగళూరులో వాళ్ళ కోసం ఓపెన్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. బెంగళూరులో స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా అడుగుతున్నారు. బట్ మ్యాక్సిమం బెంగళూరులో క్లయింట్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నారు నాకు, ప్రోడక్ట్ బేస్డ్ కంపెనీస్. రీసెంట్గా నోకియా కాంటాక్ట్ అయ్యారు. నోకియా మాన్యతా టెక్ పార్క్లో ఉంది. సో దేర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ట్యాక్ ప్రొఫైల్స్, ఎయిట్ ప్రొఫైల్స్ కావాలి. ఐ వర్క్డ్ ఇన్ నోకియా, రైట్? సో నేను వర్క్ చేశాను, లింక్డ్ఇన్లో ఉన్నాను కాబట్టి అందరికి నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నా తెలుస్తుంది. దేర్ ఆస్కింగ్ డైరెక్ట్లీ ఫ్రమ్ మీ. ఓకే, యా. సో జనవరిలో ఉంటుందమ్మా బెంగళూరులో. ఓకే, ఈలోపు మీరు ఆన్లైన్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వచ్చు, ఆఫ్లైన్లో వీకెండ్స్ ఆఫీస్కి వచ్చి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయొచ్చు. యా.
వైజాగ్ లో లొకేషన్ ఇక్కడ
వైజాగ్లో లొకేషన్ ప్రజెంట్ అయితే ఒక లొకేషన్ చూసాము, ద్వారకాలో. అదే బస్ స్టాండ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ ఉంది కదా అక్కడ. మీ అందరికి దగ్గరలో, అంటే మీకు పీజీ సదుపాయాలు ఉండి, బీచ్ వ్యూ అయితే కోరుకోకండి. ఓకే, అవన్నీ ఉండవు.
లేదు, నేను నియర్ బై ఉంటున్నాను, సో నాకైతే ప్రాబ్లం లేదు.
మన స్టూడెంట్స్ ఏంటంటే పాపం అన్న వైజాగ్లో ఓపెన్ చేయని వాళ్ళే ఎతికి కొన్ని లొకేషన్స్ పంపించారు. మా పర్సన్ ఈ రోజు వెళ్ళాడు. ఇంకొక 2-3 డేస్లో నేను లొకేషన్ కన్ఫర్మ్ చేస్తాను, వర్క్ స్పేస్ కంక్లూడ్ చేసి. ఓకేనా? యా.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
హలో,
ఏంటండి బ్రదర్, ఏంటి?
మీరు సాటర్డే సండే మామూలుగా ఆఫ్లైన్ లో ఆఫీస్కి వెళ్ళి వర్క్ చేసుకోవచ్చు?
యా, సాటర్డే సండే కాదు, ఆఫీసు ఎవ్రీడే ఓపెన్లో ఉంటుంది. 9 AM to 7 PM ఎనీ టైం రావచ్చు, మీకు ఎప్పుడు వీలుంటే అప్పుడు. కొంతమంది నైట్ షిఫ్ట్లో చేసి అన్న నాకు ఆఫీస్ 9 వరకు కావాలి, నేను 9 వరకు చేసుకుంటే, యా మీరు అట్లుంటా అంటే మా టీంని అరేంజ్ చేస్తా. 9:30 PM వరకు కూడా ఉండేటట్టు అరేంజ్ చేస్తా. మీరు నేర్చుకుంటానే అని నేను ఏదైనా అరేంజ్ చేస్తా. ఓకేనా? ఆల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యూ షుడ్ షో సమ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. అమ్మ మీరు ఇంకోటి ఏదో అడుగుతున్నారు, ఏంటమ్మా అది?
బెంగళూరులో అయితే ఎక్కడ ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు అన్న లొకేషన్?
మార్తాలిలో.
ఓకే,
అక్కడే ఉంటుంది, మార్తాలిలోనే ఉంటుంది. యా.
Which are the job locations mostly the candidates?
Yeah. You're right. Yeah.
Which are the job locations the candidates getting placed?
Yeah. Still, anyone having any questions, guys? Yeah.
Sir, I think
which are the job locations that the candidates most getting?
Okay, you're asking a question or you're telling something? Okay, locations will be Hyderabad and Bangalore. These are so, guys. You know what? I have a clients in Pune also, Mumbai also. Okay, it's not like limited entire India. Okay.
I am asking.
Okay, Thomas.
I'm from Kerala.
Yeah, Kerala. So guys, one second. Dear Thomas, you know what? In your Kerala, Kochi also we have companies, right? Generally, you in Naukari you can choose the location. So choose the location and apply it. Okay. Currently, my clients are actively be there in Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai. Remaining other locations also there. But there are 3 ways you will get a job. 30 to 40% we will refer you. Remaining 30 to 40% you will get from yourself. Okay? Understand? It means Naukari, we will prepare your resume. We will let you know how to build your Naukari LinkedIn account. Everything will teach you during placements training. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, Arvind, please go ahead.
సార్ అది నన్ను 6 months టు 9 months ఇదే కంపెనీలో ఉండమన్నారు కదా?
ఏంటండి 6 months?
6 months to 9 months ఇదే కంపెనీలో చేయండి, ఆ తర్వాత స్విచ్ అవ్వండి అని చెప్పారు అనమాట.
అవునవును అరవింద్, అవునవును.
నేను ఫ్రెషర్ తీసుకుంటే దీంట్లో రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ చెప్పట్లేదు కదా మీరు?
యా దట్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్. రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కవర్ అవ్వవు. సో యా బెటర్ నువ్వు ఏంటంటే నువ్వు
కంపెనీ ట్రై చేస్తున్నా వాళ్ళు అడుగుతారు కదా ఈ కంపెనీలో.
యా గుడ్ క్వశ్చన్. నేను అందుకే చెప్తున్నాను, మీరు నాన్ టెక్నికల్ కోర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ అన్నా లేదంటే కోర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ అన్నా తీసుకోండి. ఓకే, మీరు ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ నేను బిగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఇస్తాను. చెప్పండి.
ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏది నాకు నాన్ టెక్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ క్యాండిడేట్ అడ్వాన్స్ కోర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ ఇది బెనిఫిట్ అవుతుందా, లేకుంటే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ నాన్ టెక్ పీపుల్ ఇది బెనిఫిట్ అవుతుందా? అంటే
డెఫినెట్ గా అడ్వాన్స్ కోరే బెనిఫిట్ అవుతుంది, ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ పాల్ ఆల్టో కూడా వస్తుంది కదా. ద స్కిల్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఇట్, ద మోర్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఇట్, ద మోర్ యూ విల్ బెనిఫిట్.
నేను జోనల్ ఆఫీస్ లో వర్క్ చేస్తున్నాను. నేను ప్రాజెక్ట్ మేనేజర్ తో అడిగి నేను డేటా సెంటర్ షిఫ్ట్ అవుదామని చెప్పేసి చూస్తున్నాను.
అందుకే అంటున్నా, the more skills you have, if you move to data center you will see lot of technologies, right? So the more skills you have, you will have more opportunities, more good packages. Okay, yeah.
ఫైనల్ గా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇది కోర్ అడ్వాన్స్ తీసుకోమంటారా? అడ్వాన్స్
కోర్ తీసుకోండి. ఇది 4 months పడుతుంది, ఆ లోపు 1 year కూడా మీద అయిపోతుంది. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్. ఇది ఆన్లైన్ లో తీసుకున్న వాళ్ళకి కూడా మీరు మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఎలా తీసుకుంటారు?
మీటింగ్స్ పంపించే మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ కండక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం బ్రదర్ అందరికి. ఓకేనా?
సారీ సార్.
హలో హలో వినిపిస్తుందా?
Yeah.
మీటింగ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేసి పంపిస్తాం. అమ్మ ఒక్క నిమిషం అమ్మ. సో ద మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఆర్ షెడ్యూల్ ఇన్ త్రూ మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఆఫీస్కి వస్తే ఆఫీస్లో కూడా తీసుకుంటారు. 1 వీక్లీ మా టీమ్ విల్ ఫాలో అప్ విత్ యూ. ఓకే, సో అది అండ్ యా. సో గైస్, ద డ్యూరేషన్ వచ్చేసి 4 months ఉంటుంది, 3.5 months to 4 months ఉంటుంది. డోంట్ వరీ, విల్ కవర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. యా మా శృతి, యూ టెల్ మీ.
రిఫర్ చేస్తే
యా అరవింద్. యా
రిఫర్ చేస్తే అంటే ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ ఉంటాయా? నేను ఢిల్లీలో ఉన్నా కదా, ఆన్లైన్ కూడా ఉంటాయి.
మేము రెఫర్ చేస్తే మ్యాక్సిమం ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్ రౌండ్, ఫైనల్ రౌండ్ ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ 2 rounds ఏమో మామూలుగా ఇట్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద క్లయింట్, అది నేను చెప్పలేను. ఓకేనా, క్లయింట్ ఎలా అడుగుతాడో తెలియదు కదా. రెఫర్ చేయడం వరకే మా బాధ్యత. వాళ్ళు ఎలా ఇంటర్వ్యూ షెడ్యూల్ చేసుకుంటారో తెలియదు. ఇన్ కేస్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్, యా యూ కెన్ గో, యూ కెన్ డూ ఇట్. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లమ్, యూ కెన్ టాక్ టు దెమ్. యా, ఫర్ ఫ్రెషర్స్కి అయితే ఇప్పుడు సిస్కో క్లయింట్ ఉంది, దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ టు అటెండ్ ఫేస్ టు ఫేస్ ఫర్ సిస్కో క్లయింట్, నాట్ ఫర్ అస్. డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద క్లయింట్. యా శృతి, టెల్ మీ మా.
యా, నాకు ఇప్పుడు సర్టిఫికేషన్ గురించి తెలుసుకోవాలి సార్. యాక్చువల్లీ
ఏ సర్టిఫికేషన్ మా?
సిసిఎన్ఏ ఇప్పుడు కోర్ నెట్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ చెప్తున్నారు కదా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కి అయితే. ఇప్పుడు నేను సిసిఎన్ఏ 30 days లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తా. మీరు ఏమైనా సర్టిఫికేట్ అట్లా సర్టిఫికేషన్ ఇస్తారా, సర్టిఫైడ్ అని?
యా నేను ఇస్తాను. మా కంపెనీ నుంచి మీకు డిజిటల్ సర్టిఫికేషన్ ఇస్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ మీరు కోర్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ కంప్లీట్ చేసినట్టు దట్ డిజిటల్ సర్టిఫికేట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి వ్యాలిడ్ త్రూ డిజిటలీ. అది మీరు లింక్డ్ఇన్ లో కూడా పోస్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు డైరెక్ట్లీ. ఆర్ యు సీయింగ్ మై స్క్రీన్ మా?
సార్ ఫ్రెషర్స్ కూడా ఇస్తారా సార్ సర్టిఫికేట్? ఫ్రెషర్స్ కూడా
ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఇస్తాం సర్టిఫికేషన్. బట్ రిమెంబర్ వన్ థింగ్, హూ ఎవర్ హ్యాస్ క్లియర్ ద మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ వి విల్ ఓన్లీ గివింగ్ సర్టిఫికేషన్స్ టు దెమ్. ఏదో కోర్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేశారని చెప్పి ఇవ్వము. వి విల్ వ్యాలిడేట్ యువర్ స్కిల్స్ బికాస్ ఐఎమ్ స్పెండింగ్ $34 ఫర్ యువర్ సర్టిఫికేషన్. ఓకే, సో యా, let me show you that certification how it look likes. Okay, 1 second, what is this?
సార్ ఈ సిస్కో సర్టిఫికేషన్ గురించి చెప్పారు కదా ఇందాక వాళ్ళతో.
సార్ యు ఆర్ సేయింగ్ కోర్స్ కంప్లీటెడ్ సర్టిఫికేట్ ఆర్ సిస్కో సర్టిఫికేషన్?
Not global certification, course completion certification from Tungabhadra Networks.
That is for $34?
Yes, digital certificate I'm giving. That is free, you no need to pay. That is free, you no need to pay anything. I'm giving, I'm spending. That is my job.
Yes, that is nice. Okay.
సార్ అది వ్యాలిడిటీ ఏమైనా ఉంటుందా? లైక్
until this company is there, you will be there. The certificate will be there.
ఓకే, మీరు సింగిల్ సర్టిఫికేషన్ ఇస్తారా కంప్లీట్ గా లైక్ ఆల్ 4 months?
మీరు ఏది తీసుకుంటే అవన్నీ యాడ్ అయ్యి వస్తాయి మా సర్టిఫికేట్ లో.
ఓకే, 1 by 1 కంప్లీట్ చేసే కొద్దీ మీరు సర్టిఫై చేస్తారు.
సో ఇంటర్న్షిప్ సర్టిఫికేట్ వస్తుంది. ఓకే
Sir, I mentioned that CCNA only for CCNA certificate. Sir, ఇప్పుడు క్లాసులు ఎప్పటి నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుండొచ్చు సార్ మామూలుగా?
18th నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి.
అయితే మరి ఆఫ్లైన్ రమ్మన్నారు కదా సార్, 18th నుంచి రావాలా సార్ ఆఫ్లైన్ కి?
మీరు ఆఫ్లైన్ అయినా రావచ్చు, ఆన్లైన్ అయినా రావచ్చు. నేనేంటంటే క్లాసెస్ అన్ని ఆన్లైనే జరిగేది. క్లాసెస్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఆన్లైన్. క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఆఫ్లైన్ కి వచ్చి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి గుడ్. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్, రైట్? Labs will be start from 1 week. Labs will start from after 1 week. Okay.
So I already mentioned that sir, my name is Pawan. 20 days la adi to AM 20 days in a job or 30 days, you better you come offline.
Then come to office. Okay.
Yeah, sure sir. From 18th I will be there.
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah.
Sir, మీ స్టేయింగ్ మొత్తం కర్నూలు బ్రాంచ్ కదా సార్?
నా మెయిన్ హెడ్ క్వార్టర్స్ కర్నూలు బ్రాంచ్, హైదరాబాద్ లో KBHP బ్రాంచ్. యా, 2 branches we have actively now. And Vizag branch is also going to open in this week. Yeah, maybe a couple of.
దట్స్ ఓకే సార్. మీరు ఉండేది కర్నూలు బ్రాంచ్ లో కదా?
నేను కర్నూలు బ్రాంచ్ లోనే ఉంటున్నాను, బట్ హైదరాబాద్ లో కూడా తిరుగుతుంటాను. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే ఐఎమ్ టాకింగ్ టు ద మోర్ క్లయింట్స్. యు నో వాట్, రీసెంట్లీ వీ హ్యాడ్ ఎ కన్వర్జేషన్ విత్ టాటా ఎల్ఎక్సీ. హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్ యు నో టాటా ఎల్ఎక్సీ? సో యా, so the thing is, I'm in a very big position to interact with all company CTOs and other, to bring back. So not to see, educational service is the only one service from Tungabhadra Networks. We are dealing IT projects also, man. I have a lot of stuff, so I may travel different locations continuously and also handling these things. Okay, so giving education is my passion, that's why I'm continuing it, and handling the project is part of business. Okay, projects means IT projects. Okay, so I'm regularly, weekly 2 to 3 times I used to travel. I'm not sure where I will be, but whenever I'm visiting to the office, right, I will inform in groups. You can come, but maximum minimum 2 to 3 days I'll stay in Karnool. Yeah, clear.
అన్న ఫ్రెషర్స్ కి కూడా మంచి ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ వస్తాయా కోర్ లాగానే?
సి మంచి అనేది ఏముండదు, జాబ్ ఈజ్ జాబ్. ఓకే, సో ఫ్రెషర్స్కి ప్లేస్మెంట్స్లో మేము ఇస్తున్నాం కదా, అందుకే కదా మీరు అన్ని ఆఫర్ లెటర్లు చూస్తున్నారు. హలో, you're seeing offer letters, right? Those are not created, those are got it right from the candidates. Okay, సో అవన్నీ ఫ్రెషర్స్కి క్లయింట్స్ ఉంటారు. ఆ కంపెనీ మంచా చెడా అనేది నేను ముందే ఎంక్వైరీ చేసుకొని నేను యాక్సెప్ట్ చేస్తా. గుడ్ కంపెనీస్ అయితేనే నేను రెఫర్ చేస్తా. అర్థమైందా ఎవ్రీవన్?
అలా 50% రియంబర్స్మెంట్ ఉందా అన్న అది ఫ్రెషర్స్ కి?
ఫ్రెషర్స్కి ఉంది. 2024 2025 పాస్ అవుట్ క్యాండిడేట్స్కి మాత్రమే ఫ్రెషర్స్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్. అందులో CCNA, ఓన్లీ CCNA మీద మాత్రమే 50%. ఓకేనా? యా. అండ్ ఆల్సో I forget to tell you this thing. If anyone is working as a delivery boys like Flipkart delivery or Amazon delivery or Swiggy, does anyone is there, they are also eligible. Okay, can you hear me clearly? Hello.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay,
అంటే డిగ్రీ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లేదు అనే వాళ్ళ లైక్
బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కాదమ్మా, పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ ఎకనామికలీ బ్యాక్వర్డ్, people who are doing BTech, they are also economically backward, right? Like me. So people who are doing the BTech or degree with fee reimbursement ఎవరికి వస్తుంది? స్కాలర్షిప్ ఎవరికి వస్తుంది? అప్లై
లో ఇన్కమ్
ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి, వాళ్ళు మాత్రమే ఎలిజిబుల్. ఓకేనా? సో మీరు మీ అప్లికేషన్ని సబ్మిట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. మేము గవర్నమెంట్ వెబ్సైట్లో వీ హ్యాడ్ ఏ కొలాబ్ విత్ దెమ్, విల్ ఎంక్వైరీ ఇట్ అండ్ విల్ చెక్ ఇట్ అండ్ విల్ గివ్ యూ డిస్కౌంట్ కూపన్. ఓకేనా? అండ్ పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ వర్కింగ్, ఈవెన్ it is only for 2024 2025 passed out, but people who are working as a delivery boys and people who are doing hard work, right, outside, so they will also eligible. You need to check with my company CFO Vamshi, so he will provide you the discount on CCNA. Is it clear? Hello.
It's a good initiative, sir.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Yes, that's what. Yeah, okay. So I want to help the people. See, initially lot of people did a misused. నేను ఇట్లా ఫీ రింబర్స్మెంట్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి 50% డిస్కౌంట్ ఇస్తున్నా అని చెప్పేసి చాలామంది మిస్యూజ్ చేసుకొని పాపం జెన్యున్ క్యాండిడేట్స్కి చేశారు. మా టీం అంతా వద్దని చెప్పారు, కానీ నేను ఫైట్ చేశా. సో దాన్ని స్ట్రిక్ట్గా చేద్దామని చెప్పేసి ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రిక్ట్గా చేసాం. ఓన్లీ 24-25. కొంతమంది ఏం తెలుసా, ఆల్రెడీ ఫ్రెషర్గా జాబ్ వచ్చింటుంది, వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళ అన్నయ్య మాత్రం జాబ్లెస్గా ఉంటాడు. వాళ్ళ అన్నయ్య కోసం వీళ్ళు ఫ్రెషర్గా ఫీ రింబర్స్మెంట్తో జాయిన్ అయ్యి సో ఇట్లాంటివి ఉన్నాయి. జెన్యున్గా వాళ్ళ పీపుల్ వాళ్ళకే కదా సర్వీస్ వెళ్ళాలి. డబ్బున్న వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఇట్లాంటి మనుషులు ఎట్లున్నారంటే గ్రీడీ పీపుల్ అట్లా ఉన్నారు. సో కానీ మేము అన్నీ మన చేతిలో ఉండవు కదా, వీఆర్ మేకింగ్ వెరీ స్ట్రిక్ట్ రూల్స్. ఓకే, సో ఆల్సో వీ విల్ వెరిఫై ఇంటర్నలీ. ఓకేనా? సో వీ విల్ వెరిఫై ఇంటర్నలీ. మై CFO విల్ చెక్ ఇట్. CFOనే అడగండి, లైక్ కంపెనీ CFO ఉన్నారు కదా, వంశీ గారిని అడగండి. ఓకేనా? Yeah. So guys, if you see, right, this is a certification for internship. Okay, you see, right, here. So here whatever the courses included, he has taken CCNA, JNCIA, PCNSE. Okay, 3 courses. Like this you will get a certificate. You see this credentials, right? Just click on this. Your HR will check it. It will check it is whether it is validate or not. See, if it is validate, right, this is a valid credentials. You got it, right? So this URL you can mention in your resume also you can share this award through where LinkedIn, add to this LinkedIn directly. Okay, yeah, like a global certification also, same thing they will provide you like this. Okay na? Yeah. So yeah, okay, and I'm stopping the recording.
LinkedIn profile